US 30 is lagging. US 30 is a buy. I'll explain why, but it's a weekly buy. Play any buy stop you can find on US 30. And good morning to everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Got quite a few things to do this morning. On bright and early. Think we're golden there. Let me get us set up over here. Let me get TikTok rolling too while we're at it. There's so many people through TikTok too. I'm shocked. While there, we've been pushing a lot of TikTokers. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. Oopsie. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Making sure that you are aware of your opponent's range of.
Let me see if I can find the safety trade. There we are. Okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning. My little hydrogen bottle slipped down a little bit, but it's okay now. Oh, all right. We're off to a bright early morning, which means we can cover a lot. Which means I have to do all my therapies afterwards, which is usually not the best. Doing the therapies always work best in the beginning of the day. US 30 weekly buy. It's lagging behind all the others. Buy stop to the 5-minute blue line. I'm not saying it's not going to be a sell before then. I'll get that in the details. This is a longer term type trade. I'm looking for US 30 to be a weekly buy. Not sure my hydrogen water is hydrogenating. Let's see. We need to get this set up on YouTube. Good morning, everybody. No, anybody's here. Okay, there's 4 people definitely on TikTok. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. One symbol is weekly lagging, which means free demo money giveaway. Which one? US 30. That's the answer. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. I'm getting YouTube set up now as we speak. And let's see. All right, I think we're really close. Now we're there. Okay, good morning to everybody on YouTube. I am definitely live on YouTube. US 30 is a symbol lagging. Please don't forget to give thumbs ups on YouTube. Oh my God. Let's start today out great. What's up, LT? What's up, Arginus, Luna, and Sog? And Mike, what's up, Mike Glowinski? Glow, 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 glow. 3 watching, thumbs up. Good ratio so far. Not ideal. I love watching 5 thumbs up. There you go. What's up, Hercules? I am well. I hope you're well too. Today is Thursday, right? Okay. You have to fix up my little thingamajigger there, but we'll get to it. Wonder if I can drag the safety trade system down there. Just get it completely off of that. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Better. Okay. US 30s lagging. Look for the buy stop to be completed to the 5-minute before 10:30 this morning. That is the call. I'll look at the rest. Oh, today is Friday? Oh, fuck. Well, that's great, actually, but kind of fuck. You know how they ask old people what day of the week it is to check to see if they're cognitive of where everything is? But when you're retired, you don't know what effing day it is. I swear. They are so right. Like when you're retired, I've been retired for 4 years, 5 years, however long it's been, 5 years, 4 years. It's been a minute. And you know, you get retired and then what? And then you don't know the days of the week. Old school Mick. Good morning. So today is the 8th. Hold on now. Come on, really? Today is 8/8/25, Friday, evidently. Fuck. Well, it is Free Money Friday. And the free money is on US 30. Why does it look like things aren't moving around here? Hold on. Let me see something. Oh, nope. Market's open. Sell. Hold on. Let me get a little grip here. Hold on. Let me go over to these two. It's so much easier to read. Weekly lagging is US 30. It is a buy stop all indices long term. But let's go ahead and take a look at the shorter term, shall we? And we shall see. Sell, sell, sell. Sell stop free money. SPX and ES1 to the 1 second blue line. Sell stop to the 1 second blue line, US 30 YM1. I wouldn't trade these, but they are sells. Sells to the 1 second blue line, ES1 SPX, YM1 US 30. These are super fast, but that's where it's heading to. Free Money Friday. Nice. Now, longer term, look to all indices, 5-minute buy stops. Your choice. Oh, it is still working good. All right. So let's go over our show. What we shall and shan't be doing. Let me get over to here. Eight 25 upcoming on this show. One second sell stop all indices that we trade. Toot. Weekly lagging US 30. Demo buy stop. Perfect. 2. Upcoming on the show today, we're going to call out 35 plus symbols. Telling you exactly where they are going. 3, robot, robot, robot. Fully automatic robot will be back tested today. 4, exactly how to trade any symbol, any time frame. I think we're going to do review silly we have touchdown on ES1 and SPX to the 1 second blue line. And I'm saying this as nicely as I can about the news. All right. Good morning, old school. Today is Friday. Then they switch the weather instead of the day of the week. That's funny, LT. What's up, LT? Good morning, everybody. On TikTok, on YouTube, on Twitter, on Twitch, on X, on Facebook Live. It is Friday morning, another great day to be alive. Thank you, God, for another day of health, for all of my health, happiness, and spiritual close with you, for all of my friends and loved ones, for everyone hearing my voice right now, especially for Keith, especially for my beautiful wife, Bree, and just love and thank you for today, the good, the bad, the indifferent, and boy, there's been some rough times, but thank you for everything, and just thank you for our lives. In Jesus Christ's name, amen. All right. 1 second still, plus 35 symbols, robot, robot, exactly how to trade, and we're going to review silly news. All right. We're golden. We're doing a free money sell to the 1 second blue line. It's already been hit on ES1. You still have time for SPX, and then, of course, you have time for US 30. And that is the call. And long term or longer term, we're looking for free money. I mean, this is absolutely the freest money you're going to see. This is crazy. Free money giveaway to the 2-minute blue line, to the 1-minute blue line. I love this trade. This is a buy stop to the 1-minute blue line of YM1 and US 30. Please type out the number 7 if you understand that that is absolute. We're on track for Free Money Friday. Woo! 7s if you understand. You have a 1-minute buy stop, a ricochet actually, to the, this is fantastic. This is fantastic. We have a 1-minute buy stop to the blue line on YM1 and US 30. Please type out the number 7 if you understand that.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Thank you, Glow. And thank you, Lazarus. Good morning, Lazarus. Thank you, Phantom. Good morning, Phantom, and welcome to the channel. All right. So we have our call outs for the 6 indices. We trade all of them as one because their symbols are one. They always move the same. That's how we get a lot of our free money, is off these indices. All right, let's head onwards and upwards. We're going to call it a shit ton of symbols. We've just called out 6 of them. We're going to call out gold next. Gold is a daily, weekly buy stop. Take any 30-minute buy stop on gold. I told you gold was going back to 3,356, and I was right. It will also, next stop will be 3,415, then 3,439, and then over 3,500 again. That is gold. Silver is only going to go up because gold is going up. It's actually a closed call. It's a closed symbol. It's going to go up past $39.31 and then past $40. That's silver. Good morning, Larry, and God bless you, Larry. Bitcoin. Here we go. Told you where Bitcoin was going back to, and it will continue to go back there. It's going to go back to $117,363.80. Yes, the system can and is that exact. 119,000 is the next stop after that, and then it will go over 123,000.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Ethereum, damn, look at Ethereum go, Larry. Has done everything we've thought. It's hit take profit 1, take profit 2, and 3. It's hit all kinds of take profits. Look at Ethereum go. I told you back when Ethereum was down here. Yep, look at this. Told you when it was at 2,100. Told you when it was at 1,500. I told you it was the better out of the big 3. Told you where it was going. All take profits hit. Going to go past 4,130 next. And then Ethereum is going to go past, eventually, I don't know how fast it is. We'll have to look at that a little more closer, but it's going to go past 4,600 and then 5,000. That's Ethereum. XRP.
Demo trade
All
only.
take profits.
I am not a financial advisor.
All take profits on XRP. I told you over and over and over again it was going to go past $3.24. It is now. It'll be going past $3.40. It'll be going past $3.65. It'll be going past $4. All take profits for XRP have been hit. The only reason I'm still calling it a buy is because we have Litecoin. Here comes Litecoin.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Herschel. Good morning, Sog. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. We have XLM. Look at XLM go. Told you all take profits have been hit. Take profit 1, take profit 2, 3, and 4. Told you it was going past all these. Correct yet again. Boy, isn't it great? I just love the system. It'll go past 52 cents, and then it will go past 62 cents, and then 82 cents, and that is XLM.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Who's been right about Litecoin? Who told you about Litecoin down here at 103 and 101? Look at Litecoin go. Up 28% in the last few days. I told you where it was going, and we're not done with Litecoin. Litecoin, take profit 1, 2, 3. All those have been hit. We're still going. Litecoin, buy stop, strongest recommend. Type out the word yes if you understand Litecoin is the strongest recommendation out of all the different cryptos. Are you already up almost 30%, 25, 30% on the call I made, but I'm not done. It's just getting started. $131.61. Type out yes if you understand Litecoin is the play of the next while. $150.59. $166.86. You know I call these out before Litecoin hits a 5-month high, before Litecoin goes up, before XLM goes up, before XRP goes goes from 31 cents, before Ethereum goes from 1,700, before Bitcoin goes from 26,500. I tell you where everything's going, and it goes. Litecoin is your best buy, $175, $196. All these take profits are coming up. You still have time on Litecoin. Litecoin is fantastic. Take profit $279 after that, then $375, and then over $400, and that is Litecoin. I love scalping, Trufus says, Litecoin. Well, whatever you want to do, however you want to play it, I'm telling you where it's going. You might as well just buy some long-term ones and hold it, but that's up to you.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Strongest possible recommendation for a buy is, for a stock buy, is 3 months, 6 month Nike. Nike is unbelievably strong. Matter of fact, should I go back? Terry got it. All right, Nike. Buy stop, take profit one, $80.34, $95.86, $108. I love take profit of $123.99, and then Nike will meander past $180. That is Nike, the strongest stock recommended buy stop I can do. Take any 30-minute buy stop on
Demo
it.
trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Target, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Strongest recommendation on Target that I could possibly give. Target is a 3 month, 6 month buy stop. Take profit one, $118, $133, $155. I love it to go to $175 for Target. Then it will meander past $271. That's Target. All those are upcoming. These are before it happens. CVS.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
It's not a matter of if these things are going to happen. It's a matter of when. CVS is already in so much money. I've been recommending it since $46. It's at $64. It's going back to $70.82. It's going back to $76.42. It's going to go up to $85 and then $88, my favorite take profits. And then it's going to go past $110.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
So you will make 200% on your money on CVS. Let's get clear on this. Target, you'll be making double your money on Target also. Nike, you're going to be making almost 5 times your money on Nike. Litecoin, you're going to be making 400% on Litecoin. Just so we're all clear on the subject, those are your exact amounts you'll be seeing. You're welcome. Estee Lauder. It is a much, much longer term, 3 month, 6 month buy stop, but let's go with it anyways. You're already in money. Did it go over 100 yet? No, it has not. Take profit 100, 140, 200. I love to take profit of $220 on Estee Lauder. Eventually to meander past 378. Verizon. Matter of fact, I'm going to move L down. It's one of my least of the group right here. I've already called. I got to remember that. Verizon. Gorgeous, gorgeous 6 month buy. Just a fantastic buy. We've been calling it correctly since $30. It is utterly fantastic. $47, $51. Verizon will go past $53.68, my favorite take profit, and then it will meander past $60 on Verizon. So that'll be up 100%.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
This is a gorgeous monthly, 3 monthly buy stop for SMCI. It will be going back to my favorite take profit of $62.13, and then it will meander past $122.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
PFE is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. PFE, 3-month, 6-month. It'll be going back to $26.87, $29, past $34. I love the take profit of $40 on PFE, and then it will go past $60. That's PFE.
Demo trade only. I am not a
Starbucks.
financial advisor.
It's fine. It's not going to go as percentage high as much, but it is a monthly buy stop. It will be going back to $96.45. It'll be going back to $99.88. My favorite take profit is $105, and then it will go past $125.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
AT&T.
advisor.
AT&T. Let's see. AT&T is a fantastic 6-month buy stop. Take profit 1, 2, 3, 4 have all been hit. As called out live, you would have made from $15 up to yeah, you almost doubled your money. You still have a little bit more oomph left in AT&T. It's going to go to $30. Then eventually it'll go, that's my favorite take profit. Then it'll go to $32.44, and then it'll go past $44.80.
Demo trade only.
Flow.
I am not a financial advisor.
Love this Flow Rida. I don't even know what the fuck it does or what it is. Let's see. Flowers Food. Still don't know what it is. Take profit $1, $17, $19, $20, $22.36, and then it will go past $24.82, and eventually go past $30.
Demo trade only. I am
Oxy.
not a financial advisor.
Occidental Petroleum. Absolutely love this on the 3-month, 6-month basis. 6-month buy stop. Take profit $50, $55, $64, and then my favorite take profit is $77 for Oxy, and it will eventually go past $112.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
TM. 3-week monthly buy stop. Take profit $202. $213 is my favorite. Eventually go over past $250 for TM.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
ASML. Take profit monthly $742. $800. Favorite take profit $850, and it will go past $1,100. ASML.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
J&J. I've been calling this correctly so long. I had options in it, made shit tons of money on the options. Love this trade. J&J, just gorgeous. Love it. We've been calling it since $141, literally within pennies of the bottom. Take profit 1 was hit. Take profit 2 was hit. Take profit 3 is being hit right now as you speak. It's pretty much a closed trade at this point. J&J is a closed trade, but I love it so much I'm still going to call it past $186. That's J&J.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What's up, Helena Reverseric? Can I look at Ethereum? Yes, I will, Helena, when I'm done. Just remind me if I don't call it out after I'm finished with everything. Good morning, David Wingate. Good morning, David. Good morning, Helena, by the way. All right. So J&J is one of our closed trades. I'm going to have to move it because it's hit every take profit we called. All take profits for J&J have been hit. You know how much I loved J&J, and they gave us it over and over and over. It's been fantastically great. It's still going to go up past $186.46. J&J. AMD, also take profit 1, 2, 3 have all been hit. Take profit 4 is being hit as you speak. 100% correct on AMD. There is some more movement. I'm going to call to $227.89. But AMD is also, like J&J, a closed trade. Amazon, also a closed symbol. Amazon has hit every take profit I've ever called out since $91. If you'd have listened to me on AMD, you would have coming on up double your money. If you'd have listened to me on Amazon, you would be up 300% on your money on Amazon. Amazon is not done going up by any stretch of the imagination, but it is a daily buy stop. All take profits have already been hit on Amazon. I'm going to call this only because I love Amazon. Take profit of $230.32, and then it will go to a record high. That's Amazon, a closed symbol. J&J, a closed symbol, meaning all take profits have been hit. AMD, all of my take profits have been hit. Amazon, all of my take profits have been hit. Netflix, a closed symbol. Look at all these ones that have closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, and NVIDIA is another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Netflix, also a closed symbol. All take profits have been hit for Amazon. I'm still for Netflix. I'm still going to call it out for you though, even though I really don't like it. It's completely overpriced, let me tell you that. 1,219, 1,255, 1,277. And that is for a Netflix buy daily. NVIDIA, also a closed symbol. Matter of fact, NVIDIA, I really have nothing left to call. All take profits on NVIDIA have been hit. Literally, I can't even call a daily on it. There's nothing to call on the longer term. And doesn't mean NVIDIA is not going to keep going up. It means it did everything I said it was going to do and then some. NVIDIA is a closed symbol. Netflix is a successfully 100% accurate closed symbol. Amazon, a 100% accurate closed symbol. AMD, 100% accurate closed symbol. J&J, 100% accurate closed symbol, meaning all take profits have been hit on all of these symbols. You cannot mess up with my system on longer term trades. No one could. I don't care if you're mentally handicapped. I don't care if you're the silliest person on earth. Buy my system, trade the 3 months, monthly, 3 months, 6 month trades on these stocks. You cannot fucking miss. Okay. Here we go. United Healthcare. Can't give United. I think it's the shittiest company on earth. All insurance companies need a revamp, but it doesn't stop the fact that it is a monthly, 3 monthly buy stop. It is what it is. Take profit of, follow it down, $283, $300. Take profit of $350, $380. Take profit of $460. Take profit of $500, and I love to take profit of $537. So somewhere along the way, you're going to double your money and possibly even triple your money on United Healthcare. You still have time on it. I've successfully and 100% called correct J&J, AMD, Amazon, Netflix, NVIDIA, and I'm telling you, United Healthcare is going to do also the same exact thing. It's just going to take time. Follow it on the way down. I've already called out, good morning, little Joe. I've already called out US 30 and NAS. They were 1 second sells. They're 1 minute buys. I would absolutely play the buys on those. Pay attention. Go over to YouTube and watch my call outs. I've already called those out multiple times. Good morning to whoever you are. But yeah, it's been called out over and over and over again this morning. All right, let's keep going. Tesla, called out Tesla. Technically, Tesla's a closed symbol. Also, I called out all Teslas, all correctly since April, and then since 2023, since April, you would have gotten in on Tesla somewhere around here at 168, and you wrote it all the way up here to about 500. So you got about 300% on your money. It's going to go back up to it. I love Tesla. Elon's got to give me a bill, and we'll just do this every day for you guys. $350 is your Tesla take profit, then $375, and I love the $400 take profit for Tesla. It's my favorite, and then we'll go over 500. That's Tesla. So technically, I need to move this up here to a closed position. Costco. Hell, Costco's pretty much closed too, for that matter. Costco is a daily, weekly buy stop. I've been calling it correctly for forever. You can see in here at 800 or whatever it was, and it went up to 1,000. Costco is good. They're just better. It's going to go up over $1,000 a share, and then over $1,086.72. That's Costco. EUR-USD. It is going to go up to 1.17710, and then 1.20, and that is EUR-USD. Now, if you want longer term after that, it is a 6-month sell stop. So for that, you can eventually see it go below 0.02. Oh, can you imagine? I think it will, by the way. Silver and gold is already done. Bitcoin's already done. Somebody asked me to look at one other one. Ethereum. Let me look at Ethereum. What was the question being asked to me? Ethereum, let's see. Oh, it's got a long way to go. It's still going to go up. What's it asking? 15-minute, 1-hour buy stop. Let's take a look. Thank you for asking the question nicely. 90-minute, 45-minute, 45-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute, 20-minute, 20-minute. Yes, it is a 15-minute, 20-minute buy stop, technically. I would say it's going to end up being a 20-minute, 30-minute buy stop. So I would play it off this 30-minute, but either way you go, you can't go wrong. It's a buy period. Ethereum, $3,913. Ethereum, $3,972. Very good call. Very good reading of the charts, Helena. Yeah, Ethereum just stays a buy. All right. I am 100% done with my call outs.
Demo trade only. I am not.
Jamie Ordaz, welcome to the channel. Ignazalo Lagrasta, welcome to the channel. Jamie wants Shiba. Let's take a look at Shiba. The old ways of trading suck ass. Shiba Inu, we've been calling that for a long time. Shiba Inu was a buy stop to the 30-minute. Buy stop to 45. Shiba Inu is going to go up to 4.1300. What is it going to do after that? Then it's going to go to there, and then it's going to go to there. It's going to go to the 2-hour. Shiba Inu. All right, Shiba Inu is a buy stop to the 3-hour blue line. 4.40 is 1359. Then it's going to go up to 40's, what? 1547. And then let's see what it's going to do. Shiba Inu. Weekly. Weekly. 3 weekly. Monthly. See, this is the problem. It doesn't give me enough history to be able to read this. Someone out there would ever like to figure out a way where I can get unlimited history on any of these symbols. I can read them so much better for you. And no, I have the biggest premium thing TradingView offers and all this shit. It doesn't help. I'm going to go ahead and go out on a limb here. Shiba Inu, I'm going to go ahead and call this for you guys without much any help from my system. 402445, Shiba Inu. 403348, Shiba Inu. 404645. SHIB. 40s. I'm going to talk myself into buying some of this. 7330. And then eventually, this is
demo trade only. I am not a financial
okay, this is the opposite of Litecoin. I like Litecoin much better, but damn, this is really tempting. 1282. I think I'm going to throw a couple grand on that. Because this is 1282. So you can end up with an 8-bagger. It just doesn't have enough. Right here, it looks like a monthly, 3 monthly sell stop. See, it's impossible to know without the rest of my stuff. Yeah, it's a couple grand. That ain't going to worry nothing. And it is a daily buy to the blue line. Really? See, it still has a sell to go through. Sell Shiba Niba Niba Ebru to 4509360. But no, I'm going to go with this as a buy. Let me go into my Uphold account. Give me just a second here. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. You're welcome, Jamie. I'm just going to drop in a little of my public. It doesn't matter. It's not a lot of money. I'm sorry, into my Uphold account. I believe it has Shibu in there. Let me see. Oh, good. Look at me go. Yay. Yeah, there it is. 0.0001. Now that's not fair. It's saying right now that it's, well, doesn't it go in the fractionals? How can it have it listed as 0.001? Whatever. All right, let's go ahead and drop in just a little bit. Apple Pay. Okay. Congratulations on your purchase. I wish every app on earth was as easy to use as Uphold. I really do. Uphold is so easy. I just love it. It's a fantastically great app. It's unbelievably great. You bought Uphold. You bought Uphold. You bought SHIB. Nice. I'm willing to throw in a few grand just to see what it does. It doesn't matter. I wouldn't do it. I'm not recommending that for any of you to do because I'm not a financial advisor.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
But what's a few grand among friends? Let's just see what it does. There's good tracking anyways for it. I'll see how it's moving. Scheduled for, oh, Keith and Rudy. Give me just 1 second.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Hold on 1 second. All right. Jamie says agree. Okay, Drufus, but should I convert my demo XRP to demo Litecoin though? Litecoin is percentage-wise going to be going up more at this point, but you do whatever you want to do. I love Litecoin. I have equal amounts of XRP and Litecoin, actually. But Litecoin is percentage-wise going to be a bigger mover, that's all. What other symbols would you like me to call out? Is no one going to tell me the 1 minute blue line has been hit by US 30? Hello? And YM1? Are you kidding me? Hello? What the fuck? I called that out. Buy stop to the 2 minute blue line. This is free money. This is free money. US 30. Take profit 44,091. YM1. Take profit 44,211. Wow, free money on Friday. YM1 to the 2 minute blue line. The 1 minute blue line has absolutely smashed through it. Told you the what. Look at all that. You guys don't think that's a lot of fucking money? This is where I called it when it was down here. Oh my God. Look at it go up. Look at it go up before your very eyes. As I talk it, you're already up 23 pips, which is double the amount of a professional trader. NAS will be going up. NQ1 will be going up, and SPX and ES1. Look at it. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Hey, where's my trades at? You're welcome, Drufus. All I ask in return is once you make your demo money, come back and purchase a system and support what I'm doing. Oh, yeah, I'm already in US 30. We're good. Yep, Litecoin, good. This is just one of my accounts right here. You can see this is the entry on 8/1 on US 30. You can see the buy on Litecoin is $1. You can see the buy on Litecoin at this date is up 1,500. You can see my target one is up. Should have sold that, by the way. Target did everything I wanted to do. You can see the PFE is down $23, but it will go up, and you can see J&J up 8. There's another one I should sell up $1,800, and there you go. And those are the current trades I have. I'm not going to add to my US 30 at this time because I'm happy with that, but it automatically closed down on that last dip. One of my US 30s, I think it was 7,000 I made on that one. All right. Now, what else do we have? There we go. Okay. Can I have any more things open on my computer? Good morning, Damien. Good morning, John Parker. Hope the knee's doing good. Good morning, Damien, John Parker. Welcome, Drufus. Good morning, David. Good morning, Helena. Yeah, where is all my women at this morning? Seems like we're off. There's not many women. All right. We are currently free money giveaway to the YM and US 30 1 minute blue line. That was easy peasy. They're all going to the 2 minute blue line. We have one lagging. So let me go ahead and teach you all how to trade. This is what's upcoming on the show. I didn't even think I used that many drawings on this show. Oh no, this is the old. Where's my new? Hold on. Aw. There we go. Great Friday morning. I didn't even know it was Friday. LT had to tell me. 1 second sell stops. Wouldn't touch. Weekly lagging US 30 buy stop is perfect. I would touch and told you to do that. I can update that to the 2 minute blue line buy stop. Any of the indices to the 2 minute blue line, especially US 30 and YM1. I just called out 35 symbols. Robot, fully automatic will be back tested today. Exactly how to trade any symbol and review the silly news. That's all upcoming on the show. You're welcome, John. Prayers for you, and please keep Keith and Bree and Basil, all of our Safety Trade family, in your prayers, please. Pretty please. Absolutely need it. And we'll be praying for all of you also. This is just free. This is so free money. Okay, I got to do this. I got to do this. All right. Look, I'm going to move this over just a little bit so you can see. Okay. Here you go. All right, I'm going to do it. I don't care. All right, here we go. We have price action on ES1 above this blue line. You don't know what the blue line is by my system, but it's just magical. It's just where everything goes to. You have SPX 2-minute above its blue line. We have NQ above its blue line. We have NAS, price action above its blue line. It's just an EMA. We have YM1's price action below the blue line. Check. We have US 30's price action below the blue line. Check. So these are all above it. All above it. And these are below it. So what does that mean? We have a lagging symbol or symbols. Okay? By lagging, it's behind. It's not up where it should be with the others. Also on the weekly, it's not where it should be. So it's lagging on the 2-minute, 3-minute, 5-minute, all the way up through the weekly. US 30 and YM1 are behind. So what does that mean? You take your buy stop to the 2-minute blue line on US 30 and YM1. It's free money. All the rest of these are over. So when it forms a 10-second buy or 15-second buy, definitely take it. Okay, now I'm going to get into this real deep, so hang in there for a minute. We had a great training session yesterday. I was really happy. Oh, hold on. How many thumbs up are there? 24 of you watching. Ooh, 19 thumbs up. Oh, I can live with that. Okay. It said 14, and then it flipped to 19. Boy, it was a lifesaver for you guys. Nice. All right. So this is how you do it. Listen to me. How you're going to spot your trade is doing what I just said. It's all above the 2-minute lines. You have your chart set up just like mine. If you have the system and you're in the Discord, you can actually click on the little thing and your charts will look just like this. I saved it for you guys. Then you play your buy stops. Boop, boom, boom. And it will go up to this blue line and past it. And US 30 also. So how do we actually play this trade then? Okay, we're going to go over to, well, we'll just use YM. We're going to go over to YM right here. And I told you what to look for. And now we're going to go down to the 1 minute. And then we're going to go down to this. Oh, nope, there's a 1 minute. I didn't see it. Oh, well, there's a 30-second too. All right. There's a 30-second buy stop that's happening. You're going to see pink cross blue. You're going to see the green, 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 red. And then you're going to see price action go to the orange line, which it did. And then it's going to go up to the yellow, which it did. Then it's going to go back to the orange, which it will. And it's going to go past here. So how does it look? We had a buy stop right here on US 30. So let's go back in time. I think we can do it. I swear I blow up TradingView's ability to do things. I have so many charts open and such. This is their bar replay. So let's go back here. And I'm going to show you, oh yeah, I didn't do it. Hold on. There you go. Okay, now I'm showing you, this is a buy stop. So we're going to start off from the beginning. I showed you how to spot it. And now I'm showing you how to trade it. So let's move this over a little over here. Now, what we're looking for right here is these 3 green bars right there. And this works on any time frame, on any symbol. Then you're going to see this green here. Even the candles turn green. And then you're going to see it go up to that blue line. Okay. Is there anyone new here that would like to speak up? Anyone that hasn't bought the system yet? I'm going to teach you how to trade. It's so much easier than trying to learn it the old old-fashioned way that doesn't work. I'm going to teach you actually how to trade correctly and easily using my system. Anybody here new or doesn't have the system yet? Anybody at all? Anybody want to speak up? If not, I understand. It's kind of, people are shy. All right. Absolutely will do. You just got, okay, well, we'll just pick somebody. All right. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning to Lazarus, Noah. I'm going to pick Noah. Little Joe, welcome to the channel, Noah. Larry Cooper, Dirk, Odds. Good morning, Joe Biga. Dan, welcome to the channel. True Seeker, welcome to the channel. Stud Breezy, good morning. Ham Maiden, welcome to the channel. Josh Titus, welcome to the channel. DA, welcome to the channel. Shepherd, welcome to the channel. Just a guy learning crypto. Well, you stumbled across the right place here. Just a guy. Welcome to the channel. Andrew D, welcome and good morning. Good morning, Joyce. Welcome. Who's If? Welcome, Arthur. Welcome, Steve. Good morning, Roy. Good morning, Jenny. Welcome to the channel. Sema. Welcome, Charlie. User 5355. Inc. Epidemic. Welcome. User 9446. Welcome. Mick Kames. Welcome. 97. Anthony Pittsburgh. Welcome. Dallas Cowboys rule though. Enrico Dehaney. Welcome. Ben Ganan, welcome. Sorry for sliding your names. Unknown. Dave J, welcome. User 1798, welcome. Miguel George, can't pronounce the name. Jeff Kajasvik, Janmark, Cooper, Seba, Raymond. Welcome to the channel, all of you. Who did I say I was going to use? Let's see. We're going to use Noah. Noah, welcome and good morning. I'm going to teach you how to trade using one of the videos we had made up for our children. This is Noah in a red swimsuit. Red means down with my system. Green means up. So red is Noah trying to dive down. He's trying to get to the bottom of the pool. He's going to be met. The trade's trying to go down. In the old way, 93% of you would take that trade. But with my system, we have indicators. That's the equivalent of these people in the green swim trunks. Noah is there. Below Noah, we have Dan, True Seeker, and Hamden pushing up right here. So this is Noah trying to dive down to the bottom of the pool to get the gold coin, because gold is shit valuable. We have three indicators, green, 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 red. Okay. And then we have three indicators above him, pulling him up. So as Noah's trying to dive down to the bottom of the pool, Noah cannot do it. He cannot come down. The trade will not go down. It had no choice but to go up. Good morning, Janet. I can't believe we have double the amount of people on TikTok than we do YouTube. That's so wild to me. You guys get the analogy? Noah, everybody, everyone watching, sevens, if you get the analogy. Noah's swimming in a pool. He's trying to dive down to get a coin. Below him are three grown people. Three grown people. Mike, Joe, and Michelle are pushing up. There's also three people pulling up on him. Those three people are the equivalent of these green indicators. My system comes with a whole shit ton of indicators. Three pushing up, three pulling up. That's how you spot the trade. It was lagging. YM1, this works on any symbol, on any time frame, the same thing. Does everybody get the analogy, yes or no? Good morning, Pay Dude. Good morning, PSP. Drufus also could be trying to go down. It won't. Good morning, Janet. Good morning, Guerliano. Good morning, Miami Rocks, Lazarus, Larry Cooper, and Little Joe. Okay. So that's as simple as I can make it. Now look, this is what the trade looks like, and how you spot it is that US 30 and YM1 were behind the other four indices. You see your buy stop is to the blue line. This has just happened just several minutes ago. This literally just happened live. Good morning, Jamie Shelton on TikTok. Truth Seeker said yes. All right. So here we go. So this trading style system works on the high probability trades. And I'm teaching you exactly how to spot the trade. Now, when you have your first thing, which is the pink crossing the blue, all of these are down low. This is a sniper. These are all low, green, 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 red, to the blue line, green, green. This trade cannot, never has missed, and will not miss. We happen to be on a fast time frame. We're on a 30-second time frame, but it works on all time frames. Doesn't matter on all symbols. When you see this trade, take a picture of it. This is what it's going to do. This is the first thing you look for. This is your second thing you look for, green, 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 red. Third thing you look for is going to be going up to this thing. So now we have it. So how do we actually trade this trade? My system takes away all guesswork. It tells you exactly where the trade's going, when to enter the trade, how to enter the trade, when to take profit, where to put your stop loss. So let's go. There is no more guesswork to trading. You follow exactly. Again, the first thing, this will cross, pink will cross. This is a 30-second. I taught you all this on a hourly. It was a 9-hour, 12-hour yesterday, actually. Okay. Yes, John, they are the easiest free money, and you're welcome, Guerliano. Okay, so watch. This is how to trade 101. Pink's going to cross the blue. We have our buy stop, green, 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 red, green, green. Then we come up to actually price action. You have to wait for the orange line to go below the other two. That is the red and the yellow other two. They're just EMAs, they're lines. And then you take the trade when price action goes above the orange line closing. So I can see right here it did. So we can enter the trade. We're going to go enter, I don't know, we're just going to pretend we don't care. We're going to do that right there. We're going to move this over so we can see things. So now we spotted our trade using the system. We're inside the trade. This is all beginner stuff. I'm going to teach you advanced stuff in a second. 30-minute blue line. I'm not calling that, Helena. You always go in order of the lines. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. All right. So we enter the trade then. This is what you do. And a buy stop is nothing more than a pending order. If you've never heard of it, well, go ask your broker how to trade it. But this is your entry. Also called a buy stop. Never do market orders. Wait for it to come down, hook, and then come back up. Okay. Now, you never enter the trade on the exact same one that it comes down on. So you can't enter here. You can't enter right here as it did it. This looks exactly like a, this kind of gets me in trouble sometimes, but it does. It is what it is. This exactly looks like a high beam on a headlight, or called udder trading, or called a mammal's nipple. And that's how you remember the trade. You're going to see that there's always a pointy side down here. And that's how you remember the trade. You enter in off of the orange line, and that is your entry. Sevens, if you all understand where to enter the trade at. Sevens, if you understand to wait for price action on the orange line to go below the other two EMAs. Wait for it. Pink crosses the blue, and then it enters. So let's go back to there. Yep, you can see pink cross blue back here. Udder trading. Yep. LT is correct. Good morning, Quillen Q Black. Good morning and welcome to the channel. We're going over exactly how to trade any symbol, any time frame, and telling you exactly with my system how to look for the trade, how to spot the trade, and when to enter the trade. Matter of fact, we just entered the trade. Now you got to put in stop losses. Now on something like this, you're looking at a 30-second buy stop. I would literally go up to minimum the 3-minute to put my stop loss in. So if we go up to the 3-minute trade time frame, we would put our stop loss somewhere about here. It's called a pivot point stop loss. And then for take profits, I will go back to my 30-second. I just don't like putting my stop losses too close. You got to let things breathe. It's a living, breathing organism, so you got to let it breathe. Okay. Good morning, George. Thank you, George. Good morning, George. All right, so we're going over how to trade a YM trade that just had happened, and we're going to the 2-minute blue line on all indices. It's called off of the YM1 and the US 30. That's why I'm doing the YM1 right now. All right, so this is your entry. We're in the trade right here. Stop loss is set. US 30 hit the 2-minute blue line. Nice, Kirk. Congratulations to the free money. Thank you, Kirk, for letting me know. Free money Fridays are always fun. Every day's free money around here, but it has hit the 2-minute blue line, and I'm showing you how you could have taken it on the 30-second chart for your entry. What's up, Noah J. Inference? I'm good, said Noah. Okay. Whatever. So there we go. We're absolutely in this trade. We're going to go let it ride. Now take profits. In my system, we have exact take profits. In this case, take profit will be the blue line. This is called TP1, take profit 1. Take profit 2 is the orange line. This is take profit. It always 99.9% of the time hits take profit 2 on any time frame. And then you let a runner run. You keep it open. And that'll keep going up forever. So this is the setup for the trade. Let me see. I'm going to go, well, let's see real quick here. Okay, there we go. So we're already up money. Sorry, you got to watch over here. Right here. And then we're already to the blue line, take profit 1 hit. Now we're going to wait for it to hit here at take profit 2. Let me slow this way up. Oh, that's going too fast. Okay. Now, price action's bouncing around. You're going to see the pink come down. It's going to hook and come back up. Right there you go. Take profit 2 hit. Now you'd move your entry, which is right here, to slight take profit and let it run. And you can see that it hooked. It's going to come down again. The pink will hook. The purple will hook. It'll come back up. Price will go past its previous high, which it just did. Take profit 3 hit. Let the runners run. You'll see this gap fill in over here. There you go. See it go up. There's your price action. There's your money right here. And let's see, make that a little smaller. There we go. And let's maybe speed it up just a little bit. Same thing, pink, purple cross. It's going to hook, come up back to the orange line. This gap will fill in. And this is, see, go to green. See the pink cross the blue again. Same entry, went below. You could enter the trade again right there. 1 buy stop, 2 buy stop. Went past the orange line. Again, that's a fill in the gap trade for here. It comes again. Pink crossed the blue. You can see it for the 3rd time happen. Look at it go up. This is neat to see. Do you see that? Don't worry about how much money was made. Worry about, was my entry 100% correct? And it was. And there you go. Now, that's simply how you do it. You can see it happen one time where I taught you, the 2nd time, the 3rd time. Notice it's always the same exact pattern. And there it is. Once, twice, 3 times. Made shit ton of money, made shit ton of money, made shit ton of money. And there it is. And that's how you trade it. Does anybody have any questions over any of that? Ask now. Does anybody have any questions over that? I told you at the beginning of my live, YM1 and US 30 to the 1-minute blue line buys. It did it. Then to the 2-minute blue lines, it did it. And I'll check for the 3-minute next. Thank you, Kirk, for letting me know, by the way, very much. 7s, if you guys understand what I just went over. 9s, if you don't. It is the easiest system to trade in the world. It's step by step. It's made for beginners. It's color-coded with greens meaning up, red means the bullshit down. What's up, Crash? Noel Orphelia, welcome to the channel. He said 9. Okay. So Orel, do I consider it a 9-hour buy stop? We can go over that in a second. 3-minute next, and then 30-minute 1-hour sell, US 30. Helena asked. Yeah, we can look at that, Helena. You keep jumping ahead. We need to stay focused. And I'll answer your question, too. Do I consider it a 9-hour buy? Let me go over this again for Noel Orfila. I'm sorry for sliding your name. All right, so let's make it personal to him so he understands it a little better. Okay? Noel, this is all you have to remember with my system. Let me put it over here. Okay. This is exact how you trade how to trade any symbol, any time frame. Okay? The very first thing you have to know is green equals up, and my system red equals down. That's all you have to know. Once you understand that, look for buy stop, which is, and I'll move this over so you can see that, sorry. Okay, so look for buy stop, which happens to be okay. That's how you're going to spot the trade. So we happen to be on 30-second. What's your favorite symbol? Do you trade? Noel, what's your favorite symbol? 500 to invest in meme coin. What do you recommend? Not to do that, Noel. I would put $500, and I'm not a financial advisor.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Into Litecoin. I would not put $500. You're just gambling. That's fine. System isn't for everybody. If all you want to do is throw away $500 and gamble, knock yourself out, that isn't what my system's about. My system is about making money consistently and over again. I don't think I'm going to go ahead and give my time to Noel at this point. I would strongly recommend you not do a meme coin, but you do whatever you want to do. Have fun, knock yourself out. I would put $500 that I had into Litecoin. It was what I would do personally, and that's all I can say. I can't recommend for anyone else. Crash, it's the name of the live. Crash, yes, he does, GB. At a 9-hour buy stop. George, you should be able to answer that, by the way. All right. So does anybody want me to continue with the explanation? Because I don't think I'm going to, I don't have time to waste. So if anybody wants me to explain the system to you, please speak up and say yeses or sevens. If you don't want me to explain it again, then I'm fine. I won't explain it again. I don't really, it's none of mine. Oh boy, we're going to need a lot more. Do we have people giving thumbs up? Yes. Oh, okay. We're doing good. You guys doing good on YouTube? You go, peeps. Cvish, Trey, sevens. Oh, okay, I'll keep going. All right. So my system works on any time frame, any symbol, doesn't matter. It could be 9-hour, could be weekly, daily, could be 15-second, 1 minute. All right. So what you're looking, matter of fact, it's forming again right now. There's a new one forming right now, another 30-second. Correct, Crash. US 30 has to fill that in. That is correct. All right. So how do you spot it? Well, you're going to notice high probability patterns repeat themselves over and over again. You're going to see the same thing here. 30-second US 30, I'm sorry, YM1 30-second here and here. And as a matter of fact, we might actually be able to see it form here. I think it's going to fall a little short, but we'll see. Right here. But we do see it for sure. So sevens, if you guys see this repeating pattern right here. Oopsie. Right here. Pink crosses blue, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line. Pink crosses blue, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Can you see the pattern here? Green, 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 red. If you see the pattern, please say sevens or yeses. If you see the pattern, it's my time. Andrew, what's up? I thought so, but just like the confirmation. Yes, George, I understand. Good morning, Matt Parker. Yes, George GB, and thank you for being here, George, and thank each and every one of you for being here. Look at TikTok go. 61 people on TikTok. Only 30 on, 42 on YouTube. That's funny that TikTok's more. It's been happening. There it is. Now it's forming live. We have to wait for the, okay, sevens that you guys get that. What's up, Filio? What's up, Sog? What's up, Trey Edwards? And yes. Is there nines? Is there anyone here that cannot see the repeating pattern? I mean, I don't know what to do if you don't see it, but if there's someone here, I mean, it's green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, pink cross the blue, pink cross the blue, pink cross. I mean, I don't know how else I can show it. Is that, I mean, what else am I supposed to do? It's forming right now. It's forming right now. It's forming as we speak. Let me scoosh this over a little bit. How cute is this? Let me pull this back just a little bit. Maybe we can get more in for you guys. There we go. All right. So hopefully you can see both what I'm writing and drawing. All right. Now, if the pink line crosses the blue and price action comes over, we'll enter in off of this. So we're just going to wait patiently. It'll be entered here. Price action then will be, take profit will be yellow and then orange, just like it did here, here, and here. So it's developing as we speak. And we'll just be patient. You have to have patience. My beautiful wife, Bree, says have patience. It's the love language. Okay, so everyone's sevens. There are no nines. Yay. All right, so this is your high probability trade setup. It looks just like this. Now, once you have this, then you patiently wait for the pink to cross the blue. See, they're all three down. We have to wait for it. Put your buy stop up here on the orange line for your entry, just like you would here, here, and here. Okay? And then once price action goes above it, you'll enter your trade. Once it does that, it will go back to the orange line, previous high, previous high, previous high, and previous high. Okay? And those are your take profits. Your stop loss, because you're on a 30-second, I would go no less than to the 1 minute for my stop losses. And that's how I would trade this. And it's already done it 3 times. It seems to be forming on a 4th right now as we speak. Matt Parker, John Parker, what's up, peeps? What's up, everybody on TikTok and YouTube? We are live trading. Normally on my live trading days when I make my call outs, there's 50 to 100 correct calls in the mornings like that. Normally. I have some trades open already. We're trading it to the 2-minute blue line. My strongest recommendation for the cryptos is Litecoin. Litecoin will go up anywhere. It's already up 25% on your money since I recommended it at 103. Litecoin is just getting started. Litecoin is going to be it's going to be anywhere from 50% to 400% up on your money. Strongly recommend Litecoin.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. Does anybody have any questions over the system? I'm trying to stall here. This does work on 30 seconds. I can show you how it works on 90-minute and 9 hours and 12 hours and dailies. Let me see if I can pull something up right here. Nope. Hold on. Nope. Hold on. Hold your horses 1 second. Hold on, because I'm stalling the best I can for these 30 seconds. Let me see this one. Here we go. All right, if I can pull this over, these are the open symbols. Okay. What I'm trying to do is show you the results of the trades. Okay, let me see if I can get this done. Boy, TikTok does everything to keep my channel down. It's so funny. You're in the money. Take profit 1. The yellow line is hit, by the way. I'm just trying to show you this the entire time so we can see a live trade happen before your very eyes. Let me see if I can pull this over. There we go. All right. What you're looking at to the right is, there you go. And there is your trade. There is your money. Oh, this is great. I was trying desperately to wait to see if we can get this. You're in the money. Very good money. Take profit 1 is hit. Technically, you're close enough to take profit 2. You're about to see, look. Oh my God, it happened live. Thank you, God. Okay. So now, that is close enough. Horseshoes and hand grenades. We can close that trade down if you'd like. So not only did I teach you on it down here, and I showed you it happened here, and it happened here, it just happened live. Fuck yeah. Did everyone see that? I was stalling and waiting and doing my best not to leave and trying to keep up on here so you guys can see this through the entirety. Yep, pink crossed the blue, got in here on the orange. It went in going to this orange line. There you go. Oh my God. Thank you, God. A complete live 30-second buy stop YM1 happened before your very eyes. No one here, there's over 100 of you. No one here can possibly deny that. Oh my God, that was too fucking awesome. Look at it go. I never moved off channel. I stalled desperately waiting. Take profit hit, take profit hit. Oh my gosh. Go ahead and everyone here say thank God or yes, or there it is. I was stalling desperately to not move from this spot so you guys can see it live. Wow, there you go. There you fucking go. Awesome. Awesome. Oh my God, I am so happy. There you go. There you go, Helena. There it goes. US 30 in the money. There you go. Already green. Nice, Drufus. Now buy the system. Everyone here, I want to see. That's okay. I'm just going to go anyways. 7s or yeses. You can't, over 100 of you just witnessed that live. You cannot deny what you just saw. I just trained you on this. Just trained you. The pink crosses the blue to enter off the orange line. When you see the high probability setup, pink cross the blue. It just happened live. That is fucking awesome. Thank you, God, for that one. That was awesome. Pink cross the blue, high probability setup. You enter in off the orange line and it went straight up to there. I mean, I'm renaming this. This is 100% a training video. You saw it go live. All the rules applied. Everything did exactly as. Anyone here not saying that it happened, I don't know what drugs you're on. The reality of it, that happened right before your eyes. Look at that. Look at those trades over and over and over. These all happened during the live. The problem comes in, I wasn't showing it on the live. This one I showed you. Okay, I got to rename this. This is fucking perfect. This is amazing. You just saw. Watch a 30-second buy happen live right before your eyes. Can't deny this one. Rewatch training. Wow, that was beautiful. That was a beautiful, perfect play. Oh my gosh. Does it get any better than that? I think not. I mean, if you can't get excited about someone calling trades live, watching it trade live, telling you the rules, and then it happens right after I taught you the rules. Morning persistent. Wow, that is exciting. If you can't get excited about that, you should not be on my channel. This is amazing. Amazing. Wow. I just love when you guys can see it, and then haters out there have to be beside themselves. There's just no way. They can't take it. Look, there's now you can't. It did exactly. And then, by the way, keep your runner open. Move it to slight take profit right here. Let it run. It's going to go up past here next. It's going to hook. This is going to come up like this. This is going to hook. This is going to come down like this. Then it will hook and come up. This screen will come down, 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 down again. It'll turn to red. Then it will hook and come back up again, just like it did here. And then price action will do this right here. And then come back up, and it will go past here again, and then past here. And that's what it's going to do. Only my system calls out the future with near 99.999% accuracy. Yay, that was fun. So this is on a 30-second. Let me show you what it looks like on a 15-minute. Okay. Here we go. Here's one right here. This is a 15-minute buy stop. Watch. I'm going to take away all of your distractions and all of your distractions over here. Notice pink crosses the blue right there. You can see your buy stop right here. You can see your buy stop to the blue line. You would have entered off the orange line right there. And that's what you're looking at. And this is the exact same setup that you saw on the 30-second, except this is a 15-minute buy stop to the blue line. Perfection. You can see it went up to the blue line. And also NAS and SPX, beautiful women buy. Yeah, of course. Whatever happens on one happens on them all, Helena. That's our rules. Can you show backtest over 2 years of data? Could be interesting. Bruno, good morning, Bruno, and welcome to the thing. Yes, of course we can, but you're silly. You have no clue. It could be interesting. What you're witnessing has never been done before on anyone trading ever. I'm trading live. I'm telling you what's going to happen before it happens. I'm telling you where it's going to go, and it happens. Your 2 years worth of back testing is right here. You come over to my channel on YouTube, right where you're at, and you come over to here, and you can not be lazy, and you can go back yourself and watch over 1,000 videos, live videos of me trading, and you can do your own back testing where you see me trade over 1,000 different videos. So I got you one better. You can go back 1,000 videos well past 2 years. I've been on YouTube over 3 years. September will be 3 years. It's right here, August, September. Yep, right now. So you can go back 3 years, and you don't have to be lazy, and you can do it yourself. Now, barring that, could be interesting. See, that annoys me. Barring that, I actually have coded in called a trade tracker. This is something that is unique to my system, and no other trader does it, but every signal ever called out by my system is tracked. So here is your last, how many ever, it's last 10 trades closed and up to 10 trades open. This is on US 30. You can clearly see that US 30, every one of these is in green. Green means you're profitable. These are closed demo trades. This is going back to, hold on. This is going back to 2023. 2022. This is going back for the last 3 years, and all buys have been profitable. This is called a trade tracker. It's unique to me. No other trader on earth tracks every trade. They're scared shitless. They don't have any balls. This trade tracker is open to any and all traders. You got to pay a few $100s for Keith's time to code over, but you have to have an order of operations, and you have to track your trades computerized. No one else does this. I can click on US 30. I can click on YM1. I can click on NAS, all green. I can click on NQ. I can click on ES1. Every trade ever called out by my system is tracked, and every trade is always positive. Gold, don't even make a joke of it. We've been calling gold so correctly, it's funny. Every trade, every symbol, over 120 different symbols is 100% tracked. So I hope that if you don't believe your own eyes and you're too lazy, Bruno, to actually watch 1,000 videos of me trading every day correctly, then you can trust the fact that you're looking at every trade is tracked, win or lose. I don't know when I click on a symbol. Like Bitcoin, you would have gotten Bitcoin, I think they called it at 28,000. Back here, it tells you your entrance of the trade, $27,082 on Bitcoin you would have got in at. It tells you, it tracks it. Everything about it is tracked. Time in, date in, time, what it's tracking, how it's reading it. And you can go on anything, including XRP. I think it called it at 30-something cents to get in. 49 cents, 52 cents. All of these are positive. Every trade ever taken by my system is positive. Oh, I can't believe it. Well, fuck it. It's tracked. And if you don't believe that, and if you don't believe your own eyes, you can come over to here. All my call outs since November of last year, every call out, thanks to Kim, the candle lady, one of our members, Kim, she's tracked every one of my trades ever. So we track it manually. Every trade I've ever called on any symbol is tracked. We track it manually. And then what do we track it? Computerized. And then what do we track it? On YouTube with live training videos. Yeah. Good luck on being a doubter. There you go. So there you go, Bruno. Hope that answers your questions. You're welcome, Vince. I'm glad you're here, Vince. Welcome to the channel, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. There's your results. I'm telling you what's going to happen before it happens. It's happening, and that usually is about 50% of the time you'll see, 50% of the time, 50 trades per day you'll see that happening on. We just went over the 1 minute. Yes, it works on the 1 second trades just as well it works on the 1 minute trades. Let me get over here. This is 2 minute to the buy. Yep, and then we're about to go over some robot training. I have to get on the robot. Technically, I shouldn't even be here with you guys. Touchdown, we have touchdown to the 2 minute blue line as called out hours ago on YM1. I'm sure US 30 is there. US 30 ricochet to the blue line, US 30. NAS, I mean, it's going to go to the 3 minute blue line next. Buy stop to the 3 minute blue line, YM1. Just stick around and watch. You'll see it happen. US 30 to the 3 minute blue line. All indices that we trade, NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1 will all join it. Keith R., love the transparency. Yep. Every trade. And again, I don't think you guys understand the trade tracker. Watch. The trade tracker is computerized code done by our coder, the great Keith Palmer. Please keep him in your prayers today. Proof that safe trade rules. We are opening up the trade tracker to any other trader to see their trades for the entire world. That's the only thing. If you're going to get the trade tracker for a couple $100, whatever, $200-300, we'll put it on, and then we track every one of your trades. How many other traders have taken me up on this offer? To track every one of their trade for the entire world to see. How many other traders have taken me up on this offer? 0, none, 0, or none. How many other traders have ever taken me up on this offer to track every one of their trades to see? 0 other traders, none other traders, or all of the above. No other traders have ever done it. Because they're scared, they don't know how to trade, and they're fake. Every one of my trades is tracked. Correct, Larry, not 1, 0. Where are you at, TikTokers? Where are you at, YouTubers? Where's the greatest trader ever on YouTube? He can track every one of his trades for the world to see. Not just some of them, all of them. Not just the ones they want you to see. Track all their trades. Go ahead. I track all of my trades. I have YouTube video after YouTube video, over 1,000 of them. Actually, 2,000 now. You only see 1,000. I track all of my trades manually, and I track all of my trades with a computerized code by the great Keith Palmer. Go ahead. Doubters, haters. Go ahead. Every one of my trades is tracked for the world to see. There's no other trader doing that. And they can even use my technology to track it. Well, we'll use it and track their trades. They ain't going to do it because they're full of shit and they don't know what the fuck they're doing. I might have to mute TikTok. They're not going to do it. There's one trader in the world that tracks every trade, period, and that's me. Let the other trader, I've been doing this shit for over 3.5, coming up on 4 years on TikTok, 3 years on YouTube. Who else came on to trade against me? Who else tries to trade with me? No one ever has. And now that we can track their trades, they're running like little rats because they do not dare track every one of their trades, or you'd see the fraud they are. 7s if I'm speaking the truth, 9 if I'm not. But I guarantee you there hasn't been one trader contacted, oh, I want to get the trade tracker so I can track all my trades for the world to see, because they don't know what the fuck they're doing. I happen to know trading. I happen to call this out to the 30 second, to the 1 minute, to the 2 minute, to the 3 minute. These trades are live. I don't think you understand what you're witnessing in history. I just don't think you understand what you're witnessing. What you are witnessing has never been done before in trading ever. I've been on these lives for years calling out correct trade after correct trade. You are not understanding the power of what you are witnessing. You are taking for granted what you are seeing. This is historic. This will be taught college level, but I want it taught in high school, and I think it should be taught in middle school. We have plenty of members teaching our children that are young, 8 and 12-year-olds. Middle schoolers can learn this probably faster than a lot of you adults. They don't have any of your bullshit in their brains worried about all your past ways of trading. This is historic. There's no one there is no one trading the way I give God all the glory. I don't take any of the glory for myself. I happen to believe in Jesus Christ, my personal Lord and Savior. He's the one that gave me the wisdom for this system, but it is flawless. It works perfectly. My interpretation of it maybe once in a while is incorrect. Your guys' interpretation of it may be incorrect, but the system itself is flawless. Where are the track trades? Can we check it out? I'm not hating, just interested. Where are the track trades? Well, okay. I just told you, oh boy, that's funny, Bruno. You can go right over to here and you can watch all of my lives. They're tracked on my lives. I literally have a list. Let's go over to here. Where are your track trades? Here's a track trades. This list right here, and just so you can see it, this is created and typed out and written out for the last, 7, 8 months. These are my track trades. You can go back to 4/7 on the live on April the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, and every day since then. When I started calling US 30 as it was dropping, I told you it would go up. it went up over 7,400 pips. There's a track trade. Here's a track trade YM1. Here's a track trade NAS, NQ, SPX, and ES1. Here's my track trades on cryptos. I literally have YouTube videos on 3/8/2023, me calling out buy on Bitcoin 26,500 to go over 70,000. Then from 70, I said over 120,000. I've tracked Bitcoin. It's actually closed at this point. XRP is closed. These are my track trades for Amazon. I was calling out Amazon. Here's your date, $91. Here's Netflix. All of these are on my lives and tracked. And here's some better for you, Bruno. Here's my free callouts. I give out free callouts. These are permanent buy stops. Take any 30-minute buy stop until further notice on any of the indices. Litecoin, I just recommended the other day at 103. I'm telling you it's going to go up 50%. I'm telling you it's going to go up 400%. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, XLM. Here's your stocks for you. Nike, Target, J&J, CVS, L, AMD, Verizon, SMCI, PFE, Starbucks, AT&T, Flow, Oxy, AMD, United Healthcare is huge, Tesla, and Costco. Here's your metals, gold and silver. These are permanent buys. Permanent buys. I give this out to you for free because once you make your demo money, you come back and buy my system. These are all permanent buys. All of these will go up. On average, my stocks have gone up over 200%. On average, my cryptos have gone up over 400%. And they're still going, by the way. None of these are done. These are open. You'll be able to take a Nike and Target call for the next 6 months, year, 2 years, 3 years. Take any 30-minute buy stop on it. Now, if you want more trade tracking, because I'm a little confused, you didn't understand the English I just spoke to you. So it's tracked every day, every call out, every time right here. This is a manual tracking of every call out ever called out by me, ever. And then I have a signal service, which actually tracks all my trades. But you can see that right here on the trade tracker. I'm confused as all get out. Does he not understand English? If you come over to here, this is Bitcoin, for instance. We're going to go over to Bitcoin. And we're going to go, oops, hold on. Let me get over to the right one for you. This is so fun. I love this. But don't be lazy and don't be non-listening. You have to be able to listen. I don't take anyone in my system that can't follow simple instructions. It's just not worth it to me. I don't deal with people like that. The ignorance is too great. I just can't do it. Here we go. All right. So here is your literal trades that are tracked. So let's go over to Bitcoin just for argument's sake, and I'll show you what the trades that are. I'm confused on the question because it's literally in front of your eyes. Oh my goodness, this is so funny to me. Let's take a look. All right, I'm going to go ahead and explain what this is. These are demo closed trades. Closed trades for Bitcoin. It's tracking my sniper pink line. Don't worry about that. This is the time of entry, Bruno. This is so funny. Here you go, Bruno. Monday, the 31st, January, Monday the 31st, 2022 at 11:30 Forex time. That's Athens time. A trade was entered into. It was a buy. 37,228 was the entry. It went up and made $110,000. Okay? So this is a trade that's tracked. Oh my God. Can everyone here but Bruno throw up sevens, please, so you understand this trade is tracked. There's no changing it. If I come back and look at this trade on Bitcoin 20 years from now, it will still have, well, actually, there'll be more trades will be in here, but it trades the last 10 and the last open trades. So this trade is tracked. Is this understood by everybody? Yes or no? Bruno, oh my God. Someone help Bruno. Please. Someone, anyone. Yeah, track it yourself. They're all trained. Track it yourself. Bruno. I'm trying to reach him because he is being nice. So I'm trying to reach him desperately to understand. This is called a trade tracker because it's fucking tracking every fucking trade ever called by my system. Bruno, you got quiet. Where you at, Bruno? So this is another call. It's tracking my pink line on the 3-week sniper, the sniper most important indicator ever made in the history of the world. On Tuesday, the 29th of March, 2022, at 22:30, there was a trade entered in at 47,728.60 cents. It was a buy on Bitcoin. It went up from 47,000 to 120. It made $75,000 on this trade. Bruno, don't go quiet on me. See, this makes me wonder if Bruno actually is a secret hater, but that's okay. I mean, if you can't read and understand what's happening right in front of you, you don't understand that these are closed trades, all in profit, all made money, all of it. Good morning, Cristobal. You want more? Here's more trades. Entered in the date, the time, the amount. Look, you would have entered in at 37,000, 47,000, 41,000, 27,000. You'd have entered the trade in on Bitcoin on my calls. 66,000, 83,000. 31,000. This trade's still open. There's a 3-month buy stop from 2023 that's still open from 31,000. It's still an open buy, Bruno. Every trade I ever have ever called is tracked, computer, manually, and on video. If that's not good enough for you, Bruno, you can go suck an egg, bro. Just get off my channel and leave. Any of you. There's no other trader in the world that's tracking every trade, computerized, live, on video, and through handwritten. So it's computerized tracked, handwritten tracked, and my live videos tracked. Jeez, oh pizza. If you're going to be a hater and a fake, just leave. Get the fuck out. I don't need anyone here that is just like that. I'm here to help you all trade. I don't need to be here, by the way. Matter of fact, I closed this video down, YouTube down 2 days ago because y'all didn't give me enough thumbs up. I'm out the door. No offense to Bruno, but where did he go? Where the fuck did Bruno go? Okay, I'm going to ban him from here. Bruno, you have 10 seconds to respond or you're out the door. You're blocked on YouTube. You're over here saying, I just want to see him. I just want to see him. Well, there you go. Okay, Bruno, you're down to 5. Here, let's do a countdown. 10, 9, 8, because this is bullshit. 7, 6. Oh, I just want to see it. I'm showing him and now he can't respond. Really, Bruno? Okay, you're done. See you, bro. Good luck on your trading in life. You just won't be with me. I'm putting him in timeout for 24 hours. See you, bro. All right, now he can come back to the channel with a better attitude next time. That's fine. To everyone else out there in the world that's not named Bruno, is there another trader that tracks every one of their trades computerized? Is there another trader in the world that tracks any one of their trades, every trade written down by hand? Is there any other trader in the world that tracks every one of their trade by code, computerized code, telling you the entry, the date of their trade, everything tracked? Win or lose, it's tracked on Bitcoin, Ethereum, NAS, NQ. I can't control it. If I win, it's green. If I lose, it's not. It's red. Is there any other trader out there doing that? Any other trader? If so, name who they are. And I'm opening up my trade tracker to any and all traders. You pay a couple $100, get Keith the code over your order of operations. We'll track all your trades for the world to fucking see. None of you will do it, other than my people who have the system. Hello? Am I asking a rhetorical question here? No. Is there any other trader that tracks their trade manually or computerized every trade they've ever called. Here's my computerized, here's my manual. Every trade I've ever called since November of last year, coming up on a year, has been tracked thanks to Kim. Every trade ever called is tracked manually. Every trade ever on any symbol at any time frame. And you want me to hit stop at any time, we'll stop and look at them. They're all going to be accurate. The only problem would be if they're too new and they're too higher time frame, they might not have developed yet. Thank you, Larry. One person answered me. Larry. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, Janet. So let's be real here. If my system sucked, would I still be on 4 years later on YouTube? Would I have hundreds and hundreds? Bree and I are so blessed from God, so successful in our stand stores. We have 3 of them. 3 of them we have. And they're so successful from our core group of people. I never have to trade again a day in my life. I never have to be on a live again another day in my life. We make shit tons of money from our loyal following. I don't have to be here. Just from that, we don't have to do anything. By the way, 2-minute buy stop has been hit. That's the old one. 3-minute buy stop YM1 and US 30 to the blue line. It's going to go up and touch it. It's close enough. By the way, this is horseshoes and hand grenade, but it's going to go up and touch it. Person said, no, you wouldn't. That's correct. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. We were here from the beginning. Yep, Miami Rocks. Miami Rocks been with me a shit ton. How many years, Miami? Do you think people would be with me for 3 years, 2 years, 3.5 years if my shit didn't work? Of course not. It's unbelievably effective. Matter of fact, can I switch over now? Can I switch over to the robot? I got 56 of you on TikTok. I got... How many of them? 41. So we got over 100 something people watching. Do you want me to switch over to the robot, or do you want me to keep calling out symbols? You tell me what you want me to do. I don't care. I'm here to serve you guys, help you all out. Some of you listen. Some of you are sillier than Bruno. We haven't had a Bruno here in a while. I'm not saying that, what the fuck? I just showed you a trade tracker. It wasn't good enough for your own fucking eyes. I just showed you over 1,000 videos. It wasn't good enough for your own eyes, Bruno. Fucking people in this world. Ed Cruz says robot. Okay, Ed, let's get some votes in. You guys want me to do robot? Do you want me to do more training? Do you want me to keep going over things so Bruno feels like he should never have pretended like he was asking a decent question when he was not? What would you like me to do? Robot says Sog. Larry says robot. All right. We have an upcoming robot. It is going to be fully automatic, demo trade only. Oh, and by the way, for Dorcas over there, Bruno, we have people who are actually retired from our system. Matter of fact, let me go over here for that one. We actually have people who are retired from our system. And then I'm going to go to the robot. Okay, right here. Maybe. Okay, D. Haas is retired. D. Nice is retired. Marco Risby is retired. Kimberly Harrington is retired. Maria Toller, 300 to 500 day stay-at-home mom. Mr. Gold is retired. Adam's retired. Boost is retired. Tommy can retire. Jay can retire. Rocket's doing well. Larry's doing well. Harry's doing well. Hundreds of dollars each week. One of our members made so much money. He has his own brokerage firm licensed by the government in Norway, and he bought his own house with our system money from the earnings, demo only. Then we have one of our gentlemen right here. Jay has been with me for years, and he's finally making very good money. And if I can do it, I know you can. Be encouraged. He plans on making $60,000 to $80,000 this month, and that is J-Flow. I think he's even on, or he comes on a lot. And we had 2 members that were homeless or no longer, and then one of our members said there's no way the system can be this accurate without a God, and he's saved. So we have people retiring from the system. Now let's get back to the robot. Okay. But if that isn't good enough for Bruno, I don't know what is. People are so weird, so fucking weird. They don't even believe what happens right in front of their eyes. They're such doubters. Whatever, I can give fucking less. Order of, nope. Where's my robot at? Where is my robot at? There's Gorov stuff. Brebot information. There you go. I don't know if this is the current stuff or not. Robot, Janet, robot. Okay, robot it is. Gotcha. All right. There is a robot coming for NQ1, ES1, YM1, NAS, QQQ, gold, silver, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum. The first robot will be NAS. There'll be another robot, also known as the first robot, will be for ES1, NAS, NQ1, and SPX 500. Okay. Good morning, Annie Apple. Missed you. Where you been? Okay. I will not release the robot. I'm not releasing the robot unless it's 95, 99% win rate. I want it to be 100% win rate. I don't see why it shouldn't. It'll be fully automatus, demo trades only. It's going to be released within a month to 6 months. If you have the system, it'll be cheap. If you have the sniper and the signal service or the signal service when it's released, it'll be very extremely cheap. Couple $100 a month. If you do not, no one's getting the robot. And I was thinking this through, so about $750 a month is what you'll be paying. I said 1,000, but I think I lowered it because if it's going to be ES trading for you guys, ES. But at any rate, it'll get you in the trade. It'll set a take profit. It will move it to break even. It'll let a runner run. If you wanted to, you can flip that on. It'll have a stop loss built in that's going to be unchangeable. It'll re-enter trades. And that's what the robot is. Okay. So the robot is coming. The great Keith Palmer was making great work on it. He has a little setback at the moment, but hopefully in the next few days he'll get back on it again and we can get things rolling and get this operational. But what we do have right now is the Brebot. The Brebot. The Brebot. All right. Let's go down to a 9 hour and see what's up, peeps. Here we go. All right. Now, what you're witnessing with that little pinky purple line right there, what you're witnessing, Miss Annie and Larry, and when Bruno comes back and rewatches this video, what you're witnessing is ungodly accurate. Now, remember when I taught you guys earlier the high probability setups, right? Green, 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 red, when pink crosses the blue, and when there's a buy stop up here. Oh, shit. It found it. This is a fully automated, code-driven order of operations from me, given to the great Keith Palmer to code, and look, he found it. You notice he didn't find something over here, right? He didn't find something here. He didn't find it over here. He found it right here. Didn't find it here. What kind of voodoo, what kind of magic is Keith working with where he can not take the wrong trades and only take the 100% perfect trade? Is that not the coolest thing you've ever seen? You got to understand what you're witnessing. It isn't just calling the right trade. It's avoiding all the wrong trades. Don't you wish you could avoid all the wrong trades, Larry? Janet, George, Sog, John, Matt, Persistent, Rocket, Annie. Don't you wish you guys can avoid all the wrong trades? So this pink line is computerized driven. I'm going to give you some of the logic that goes into it. Some of you are learning real quick that this shit just doesn't magically happen overnight. What you're witnessing is this. That pink line is generated. Okay? That pink line is generated. What's up, Michelle Glowinski? Good morning, Michelle. this pink line right here is generated right here, making the right call. Okay, this thing is generated by looking at, and let me tell you, these are all the things it's looking at one time to generate it. My order of operations that I gave to Keith, it has to look at all 6 symbols, all the same time frame. Then it has to look at all 6 symbols at a different time frame, which would be a lower time frame. If it's 9 hour, to look at the 8 hour. Then it looks at all the same symbols on 4 different time frames below that. And then it's looking at all symbols, all 6 symbols, all 5 time frames. Then it goes into, is there a blue line low? And it does it on all 6 symbols. And it does it on all 4 time frames. Okay? Then what does it do? It looks on that again, and I'm not shitting you, I can't even do it with these numbers. It's going to do 24 more. It's going to look for the same thing over here on each symbol. 6 symbols, 4 different time frames, 24 times each. Okay? And then it looks, is there a buy stop on each symbol? So 6 times 6 times 4 time frames. It depends if there's a fill in the gap or not, times 4 time frames. We've taken up the logic now. And then it takes into consideration, is the Bach green or not? Has price action gone below the orange line? As the candles change over to green, is this a green EMA? And it takes that and it does it for all 6 symbols. And then it takes all the 6 symbols and it looks on the 4 time frames. So if it's a 9-hour line that's drawn here, there's literally hundreds of checks for it to make sure it's in the right spot. I'm not sure if any of you can do that. I know I'm not going to be doing that on every symbol, but it can. What's up, Black Hefner? I'm new to trading. You stumbled across the right page. Has Black Hefner not stumbled across the right trading? He doesn't have to learn any of the old ways of trading, any of that bullshit. He's on the absolute best place he could be. Good for you. All right. So to take in consideration, does everybody, 7s if you understand even remotely, or yeses, that this signal is getting smarter and smarter and smarter and smarter. We started off, it was doing okay, and then it was doing pretty good, and then it was doing good, and now we're pretty much to the point where it's doing fantastic. Nice, persistent. Thank you for that answer. Thank you for answering him. 7s, if you understand this pink line that's generated isn't just some random line. There is so much logic behind this line. It's our logo. It knows when it dipped. It came back down. It went underneath. It's taking in all this hundreds now of different things in consideration to make this call. Okay? So now that we have the call being made, is it the correct call? Well, obviously, with hindsight, you can clearly see, look, this is what the computer saw. At the time of its call, this is what the computer saw, and it made the right call. Now we have to get the entrances. But if the computer can pick out, if the code, the AI, the algo, the this, the that, whatever you want to call it, is just fucking computer code. If the computer code can make the correct call, you guys can make the correct call. Okay? So watch this pink line being computerized, generated by the great Keith Palmer's code that he took from my order of operations, from my mind, to call it. Now we have to say, did it go down? Did it not? Well, let's follow our rules of entry that he's currently working on to code inside the robot. We are currently looking at our robot. Okay, and we're going to come over here. We're going to zoom in. Now, the rules state that pink has to cross the blue. Okay? So for entry, we're going to go over entry now. So the spotted it because it took all those things in consideration. So this line was drawn for all those reasons I just went over. Over 200 reasons drew this. Well, over 100 for sure reasons did this line. Now, how do we do the entry to the line? He is a genius, absolutely. And please keep him and my beautiful wife in your prayers and all of our little people that help us with this. All right, so we have to wait for this to cross. This is number one. So he's coding all this in now. He has to code. So now he has to find the buy stop, which he did. Now he has to code into my order of operations that we need the orange line to go below the yellow and the green and pink to cross. Uh-oh, the orange line isn't below it. So look. The orange line on this particular time frame on the 9 hour is below the yellow, but the orange line isn't below the green. So now we have to have the computer. This is what he's doing currently. I'm sure he's not thrilled. Then he has to go down to the 8 hour, and then he has to go down to the 7 hour. I'm going to skip to the 7. Oh, hold on. I have to grab that number, though, where we're at. So we have to go here, and it's at 10 o'clock. What day is this? 10 o'clock, June the 19th. June the 19th at 10. Hold on one second. May, June. And let's go. This is such a blessing. Oh my God, it saves so much time. Did I say 10 o'clock? Fuck. Yeah, close enough. All right. Let's go down to the 7 hour now. And let's see what it looks like on the 7 hour. All right, right here. Now, do we have, aha. Now look, now we have, after that, pink cross blue right on the other, and now we have the orange drop below. So now we have our entry. So now the orange is below the green and the yellow. In this particular case, we have our buy stop, pink cross blue. And now we have the pull down below and then the orange cross below it. Sevens, if you guys are following what he's doing now, he looked and found with the pink purple line the possible entry of the trade. Now he's going down and coding in my rules of operation for the entry. We have to have a time frame where price action goes below and the orange line goes below the other two EMAs. So we're going to enter. The trade was called on the 9 hour. It's going to be calling the entry to the trade on the 7 hour. Arjun Sloan is excited. Yes, you should be, Arjun. Yes, absolutely. I'm excited. You kidding? I never trade for any of my family members, but now I never have to trade for any of my family members. And I could just hook this up on their little broker trading view and put on a brokerage account for them with a copy trader. And they're going to be able to make money while they sleep. All day long, every day, my family's going to be taken care of for the rest of my life. I couldn't be a happier husband, a happier father, a happier brother. I couldn't be a happier friend to everyone I'm going to bless this with. When this is done, it's going to be changing everyone's lives that I know, love, and care about. Everyone's lives will be taken care of. I don't care about me. I don't care about how much money I have or whatever. I can care less. Knowing that I could die peacefully, that my children, my wife first of all, and my children and all of my family and friends can be taken care of financially for the rest of their lives, which they could with the system, but everybody doesn't get it, and they're lazy, and they don't understand things. I get that. But yep, everybody. And then you guys can also be blessed. Spend a few $100s a month and have a robot trade for you. So at any rate, the pink line, we'll get back to what we're at, thing on hand. It does not direct people off. Get the fuck out of here with your fucking shit. I swear to God. I am not directing anybody off-site. TikTok, man, chill, peeps, chill. 50 people. This is incredible on TikTok. I'm so happy. That's why I don't get rid of it. All right. So it spotted it on the 9 hour. It goes down to the 7 hour to look for entry. It sees the orange line go below the green and yellow. Okay. Now it spots the entry. It says, hey, green line's below, the pink, blue crossed. What am I looking at here? Oh, I got to enter when it closes above. So let me show you right here. We're zooming way, way in. We're looking for price action / to go or to close above. You can see right here, I would have entered here. I don't know if the computer will be smart enough to do it. It will definitely enter here. Okay, so at the end of this, there'll be a signal to go out. The signal will say, hey, to whoever brokerage you're using, enter the trade. And it will enter it here. And the best I can tell, this is a closed candle. I don't think there's any drawdown on this trade whatsoever. I just don't think there's any drawdown on this trade whatsoever. If you guys see a drawdown, we can call it 50 pips. I don't believe it's even 2 pips. But for argument's sake, we can say there's 50 pip drawdown, but I don't think there's any drawdown. If you guys see it, let me know. I see no drawdown off of this. Good morning, Super Z69. I think that's Kev. Good morning, Kev. There's a lot of Kevins floating around here. Kevin Alderman, me, a couple other Kevs, a couple Calvins. All right. So this is the order of operations for entries. When it enters the trade, it will automatically put a stop loss in. On a 7 hour, we're going to use anything above the 1 hour technically. We're going to put the stop loss at the pivot point, and then it's going to open up 3 trades, depending what you want, 1, 2, or 3 trades, and open up a trade, right? Either right here where it crossed or up here where it is. Then first take profit will be the orange line, and then it will take profit after this previous high. And then if you want it to, it'll open up or leave open a trade. You'll move this to slightly break even. You'll move it to here, and you'll let the trade run, and that's called your runner. And then the runner sometimes will hit huge, thousands and thousands of pips, and sometimes they won't. They'll get tapped out at break even or right at it. Okay? So we're going over the robot, the upcoming Brebot. It's going to have different pricing. People in my system will get it way cheaper when it comes out. It can come out next month. It can come out in 2 months, come out in 6 months. My best guess, shooting for Christmas. If it comes out earlier than that, and it may, we'll see. If you're in the sniper or the signal service at the time of it comes out, you'll be getting the Brebot for very, very cheap. Oh, I don't know if there's any news this morning. If there's not CPI or NFP or something, I don't want to know about the news. So if there is that, let me know. All right. Who out there is excited about the upcoming Brebot? It'll be for ES1, SPX, NAS, and NQ1 first. Anybody out there excited? Man, if I were you guys, I'd be pissing my pants. This is going to be incredible. It takes a lot of coding to do and trade the way I trade. So we do have hang up after hang up, but it's going to happen. Yeah, Michelle, you'll be getting it. Miami Rocks can't wait for the bot. Yep. And it's doing all of this automatically. Yep. And it'll be open to people who had bought the system in the past and no longer using it. They'll have a one-time opportunity to repurchase and get back in. Look at this trade. This trade right here, let's go to it. You guys want to see how much this would have generated? So with 0 drawdown, this trade right here, oh, we would have got tapped. Okay. Well, it still would have made from here to here. All right. I would say little to 0 drawdown. 208 pips on this trade. And it seems like that's a little low. Let's see. Nope, that's fine. So maybe a 10 pip drawdown, 200 pips. And this is just one trade on the 9 hour. I'm doing these odd time frames because we checked all the real ones. They're all real good. If there's any news, don't play trade market news, please. Mo, really excited. Yep, there you go. You guys have done really well with your thumbs up this morning. YouTube is 100% free from that. All right, let's go down to the 9. This is a 9 minute? Oh, I might have been on the wrong thing. I was on, because that seems so low. Did you see me? I was like, that seemed, there it is. There's the 9 hour. Oh my gosh. Would I have been tapped out again though? Would there have been a re-entry? Oh, the entry would have been here now. We've smartened it up. Oh, that's too cool. Yeah. I wondered why it was only, I was like, what? That's not right. Let's go over here. This is going to be so much more. There you go. 2,000 pips up. It was a 9 hour buy. I'm thinking 200 pips. We can get that off of 1 minute is what I was thinking. Damn, I'm tired. But I did get some sleep last night. All right, so 2,000 pips off this 9 hour buy stop. Boom, boom, entry, take profit, runner runs. If you'd have put $1 in, I don't think you'd had any drawdown, but let's say you'd have been drawn down $50 in your account and you would have made $2,000. Pretty good risk to reward ratio, which is the stupidest thing on earth. I'm gonna stick to this rule where I make, get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna stick to the rule where I make 10.4 blah blah blah. Get the fuck out of here. Let the runners run. Are you shitting me? Buy stop NAS. It's going to go up past 23,668 to a new record high. YM1, you have tons of time on this. Buy stop YM1 to 44,251. Why would I put a limit on what I'm earning? It's the stupidest thing I ever fucking heard in my life. 44,652. YM1 will go to 44,947. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. It will go past 45,000. US 30, you have tons of time on this buy on US 30. Someone asks, is it still a 9 hour? Well, you go up to the highest time frame. It's a 10 hour. It's a 12 hour. Let's keep going. Is it a daily? Nope, it is a 12 hour buy stop on US 30. Look at it. It's as plain as day. US 30 will be going up past 44,158 and then eventually past 44,700. Just what it's going to do. And there it is. All right. I think I'm done. Anybody have anything else for me? I don't think I'm going to stick through open. How many people are on the live? All right. TikTokers and YouTubers, if you want me to stay on through open, I need to see a vast majority of 41 people say yes, and I need to see the vast majority of 30 people on TikTok say yes. If I don't have a vast majority of people say yes, I'm leaving. And it's nothing you guys did. I'm just going to go enjoy my day. And I'll be back on later this afternoon maybe or something. We'll see. All right, do you want me to trade through open? You better throw up some yeses or sevens or I'm out on TikTok and it's got to be combined. There's 70 of you, 80 of you watching on all the different places now. If you want me to stay and trade through open with you all, I need at least a combined 30 yeses. If I don't see a combined 30 yeses, I'm out. And nothing personal, you guys didn't do anything wrong. I can go do other things. I'm tired. I feel like maybe just chilling and I don't know. We'll see. So if you don't want me to stay, that's fine. I don't have to. All right, TikTokers are throwing up some yeses. Yeses. You can only vote once. Cut it out, Miami Rocks. Yes, says Ryan. I don't care. I'm not trying. I don't, if you want me to. You need some time too, says GB. Thank you, GB. Thank you, George. Flacco, enjoy your day, says Kirk. I like that, Kirk Brown. That's fair. Yes, please. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a couple more minutes. I'm not going to rush you on it. Miami Rock's laughing. Miami's over there voting 10 times. Miami, stop it. Alan says yes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and say TikTok doesn't want me here. So I'm going to go ahead and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. No, I'm going to go ahead and say like 7 people out of 27 on TikTok is not going to cut it. YouTube. Is there anybody on YouTube that wants me to stay? I don't care. I'm okay staying. I'm not like upset or anything. I'll stay or not stay. It doesn't matter. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, Kirk doesn't count. 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, all right, guys. Do I stay? Do I go? Do I stay? Do I go? Do I stay? Do I go? All right, how about this? I'm going to take a quick little break, and then I'll be back. BF says stay. All right, I'm going to take a quick little break. I'm going to leave you with this thought, and I'll be back. Not long, maybe 2-3 minute break, maybe a few minutes longer. All right. 17 on TikTok? There were 17 yeses, really? Are you guys counting twice? All right. You name any symbol, I'll call it. Jeez, I can't even spell the word call right, for the love of God. All right. Free Money Friday, baby. All right, I'll be right back.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Do da do da do da dee do 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 do. All right, peeps, I'm back. All right. Let's see. Anybody still here? Oh, looks like everybody's still here. Hey, what's up, peeps? Top of the morning. What's up, CV? Yes, but you should enjoy your day. I will, Ken. Good morning, Bob. All right, that's my little thing. Pull that off. Okay, I'm gonna put on my little blue blockers. All right. Let's see. KTOS, I guess. What's up, Scott? Maybe Scott's looking for KTOS to be called. Sure. KTOS. All right, let's take a look at a symbol. Here we go. All right. KTOS. Kratos. Cool name for a company, by the way. All right, let's take a look at it and see what's going on. Have we been able to call out Kratos correctly? I should have these two things flipped. Yep. This is the trade tracker. It's closed down 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, all profitable. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. But damn, there's 4 open buys on this thing. 49 cents and 52 cents. Holy shit. So you'd have 500% your money if you had this, if you had my system? That's fucking incredible. All right, let's see what's going on. Don't care. Let's go up to the 1 hour. The 1 hour buy. Let's go to the 4 hour, 5 hour, nope, 4 hour, 3 hour, 3 hour buy. 3 hour buy, KTOS. Take profit 1, $59.75, $62. What? My system was calling buys on this at 49 cents? Is this correct? Hold on, something ain't right. Oh, it's not pulling through the difference. I was like, there's no fucking way that's correct. All right, let's pull back then. I'm looking at this like, what the fuck? I should have bought this thing. All right, anywho, 3 hour buy stop, KTOS. Let's keep looking. That's funny as fuck. I was like, damn, did I miss out on a great one? This is a daily. 10 hour, 9 hour, 7 hour. So it is a 3 hour daily buy stop. You're a little late to the party. It's still going to go up. Let me see the weekly. Hold on. Let me see the weekly. Oh, it hit the, fuck. Fuck. Okay, let me put it this way. If you had my system, well, first trade in, you would have been in the stock at $14, then again at $17, and then again at $28, and it was an absolute 100% going to $47. Yeah, I think you're just a little late, to be honest with you. I'm not saying it's not going to continue to go up. Yeah, see, I can't call it. So other than that 3 hour buy stop, you should have been in here at least $28. I mean, it was just a gimme. When you guys see a let me watch. What day would that have been? Back here, maybe? Probably. When you see a daily buy stop to the weekly blue line on any symbol, please tell me. it's too late. Katos, there's way better stocks to get. Target, any of the other ones are better than that. It's not a good one to take. I'm not calling it other than that 3 hour.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Sorry, Scott.
advisor.
Welcome to the channel. Hope that helps you, but there's way better stocks to be looking at other than Katos. Good morning, Ellen. Good morning, Bob. Good morning, Ken. CV. Good morning, Vixation. Yeah, we've already had tons of free money Fridays. Let me go back over to here. All right, anybody else have any other symbol they want me to check for them? Let's see where we at. Oh, good, it pulled back down. That's awesome. There we go. All right. Ricochet sell stop to the 1 minute blue line, ES1 and SPX, free easy money. 1 minute sell stop, ES1, SPX. We already had our buys going up, but we'll get back to those in a minute. If you like to do the sells, that is your easiest sell. By all means, knock your sells out. Unlike you guys, I never do a sell unless I'm really just in and out super quick. I'm looking for a 7 minute buy stop. Fuck. If you're going to do a sell, do the YM1 and US30 to do the sells. Be careful with the rest. 12 minute buy. Really? 30 minute, 45 minute, 90 minute, 2 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour. Hold on, I'm getting your exact entrances for you. 12-hour buy stop, YM1 and US30. 12-hour buy stop to the one-minute blue line. 12-hour buy stop to the 1 minute blue line for YM1 and US30. You can play the little sells if you want on ES1 and SPX. I wouldn't do that. Just be patient, wait for the buys. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. So it's going to be a longer term type. I don't even know if it's going to happen today. Just chill, relax. You don't have to trade every fucking second of every fucking day. Over trading is a death to some of you out there, I tell you. I'll try to get us a little open market one for when the market opens. I was late Litecoin. Took a month off. I got in 120. Can I see analysis on it? Absolutely. And it's still a huge buy on that. Absolutely. Good morning, Sprouticus. Good morning, Casey Walsh. NAS and NQ. I just went over NAS and NQ. They're the same symbol. If you're new to the channel, which you are, you'll learn that ES1, SPX, NQ1, NAS, YM1, and US30 are all the same symbol. They all trade together. If one ever lags, that's when you get in. It's real easy. EURUSD, says Little Joe. Sure. So let me go ahead and do Little Joe first, and I'll get right back to you, persistent. EURUSD. I went over it earlier, but I'll get in a little more detail for you. EURUSD. EURUSD. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sell stop to the 3 minute blue line, EURUSD. I would never play a sell on EURUSD, but if you feel like it, knock yourselves out. What I would be playing is 30 minute, 45 minute buy stop 1 hour buy stop. Take profit 1 on the 1 hour buy stop, 1.16717. Now those are piddly time frames. I'm going to go up to where you should be trading at 12-hour dailies, 12-hour. Daily buy to the weekly blue line, EURUSD, 1.17433, 1.19121, 1.20. That's EURUSD.
Demo trade only.
Litecoin.
I am not a financial advisor.
You're 100% not too late on Litecoin. It is now my number one. Where's it at? It's now my number one, leaping above everything, is Litecoin as far as cryptos go. Litecoin, well, I can go down to the smaller time frame. Let's go down there and start with smaller. All right, Litecoin. I love it, first of all. 1 minute buy, $122, 123.41, take profit. 5 minute buy, 10 minute buy, 124.39, 15 minute buy, 126.60 it'll go to. 1 hour buy, yep, already is. You can see the 1 hour is right here. You would have been in all the way over to here. It's going to go back to 123.88 and then above 128.70. 4 hour buy, yep, let me see here. Now we're getting up to the real money. 12 hour, already did a 12 hour, it's finished. Daily, weekly, this is where the money's at. Let's go to the 3 week. Yeah, look at this shit. Okay, peeps. This is same exact chart pattern as, look, XLM. See how it's completed now? Look at XLM. Watch what this is what you're looking at. It came down, came up, came down, and it's not done. It's going to go back up over there. But see how this is your second leg of the W. Watch. You come over to Litecoin, total buy stop, everything's there. This is just gorgeous. There it is, right there. Up, down, up, down, up. The up hasn't happened. I'm calling Litecoin again just so we're on the same page. Let's zoom in a little for y'all. Litecoin, we called it about 103. I think I got into like 101. It's already up to 119. Litecoin take profit. Well, one of the take profits already hit. Second take profit, 125.66 take profit. It's going to go back to 141.62. And then it's going to go back to 171.95 take profit. That's my favorite take profit. However, after that, it'll go past 226, 282, and we'll go past 400. That is Litecoin.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I hope that helped you on ERUSD, Little Joe, and I hope that helped you on Persistent. And Sprouticus, I've done Casey Welch. Spartacus, I did NAS and NQ multiple times. One of the reasons why I'm yawning, because I'm a little tired of doing it. We'll play it at open, too. We'll be playing all the 6 indices at open. I'll determine which ones I like, and if I do the trade, I'll let you know, and if I don't, I'll let you know. Thumbs up, please, on YouTube, although you guys have been doing exceptionally well this morning. $63 thumbs up. Excellent job on the thumbs up on YouTube. You're welcome, Persistent. Is there any other symbols you guys want me to check? Please speak up. I used to trade exclusively ERUSD, NAS, and it was NAS, ERUSD, and maybe SPX, but I don't remember. But ERUSD, there's just better. I would do GBP, JPY these days. That's my favorite Forex pair if I was going to choose one. And you can trade Litecoin on Uphold so easy. So I don't mind trading the cryptos now. Those are nice and easy. It's fantastic. And then, of course, we do the indices all day long, every day. What's up, Casey Walsh? Already did XRP. In order of what's happening, let me get over here to something, but I'll do it again for you, but it's already been done. Oh, Keith, pray for you, brother. All right, so let's see. They want XRP. And these are my call-outs. The SafeTradeSystem.com daily free signals. The indices, and this is where XRP is, cryptos. So I'm considering XRP a closed crypto, meaning it hit every take profit I ever wanted it to hit, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and there's still a running open. I called it first at 31 cents for a year. It's gone up 10 times your money. You made 1,000% on your money. You can still make money on XRP, so I'm still calling it. But please understand that XRP will do wonderful, but it is no longer my top 2 calls, 3. I still call Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, but I love Litecoin. Litecoin is way superior than Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, or XL. I'm not saying they're not still all going to go up. They're still all permanent buys. You can see that. Daily demo signals, permanent demo buy, still open. Take any 30-minute buy stop as of 8/8. So it's still a permanent buy on XRP. It's just, are you going to pull off a 10-banger on XRP? I mean, maybe, but I'm not there for it. I have equal holdings of XRP and Litecoin, put it that way. So XRP, you can clearly see, wait till I get over to this one little thing where you can see it easier. XRP is already peaked, already done everything I asked for it to do. If you were going to do XRP, you should have been in on it, you know, when I told you to, and it was at 31 cents, 50 cents, 70 cents. Now, is it going to still go up? Yes, I can still call it for you guys, but you have to understand this was a daily, weekly. It went up over where it was supposed to go. It's now a 12-hour. So this is a 12-hour buy. XRP will go back up over $3.43, and it will go over $3.66. It will go past $3.68. That's XRP. But again, I'm not saying it's long in the tooth. It's never going to go up to $10, $20, $30. I'm telling you that Litecoin is a better play. That's my opinion only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
It's still fine. Bitcoin's going to go way past 125, 130. Ethereum still has room to go up. XRP will be going up. Am I calling XRP 30,000? No. Am I calling XRP 30? No. First of all, we have to get XRP to $4. Do I think it can do it? Yes. Is this chart's calling for it? Not at this time. Is Litecoin calling up Litecoin? Are we calling Litecoin to be going up? Well, yeah. In my opinion, much, much safer. Just a different play, that's all it is. Right here. All this is It's going to go up to here. It's going to go up past the center point, and then it's going to go up to here. I drew this exact same thing out for XRP a year ago, for XLM a year ago, for Bitcoin 2 years ago, for Ethereum 6 months ago. This is the exact same pattern. So Litecoin hasn't done it yet. It will. And I'm telling you, before it happens, I can easily see Litecoin to 180 and then to 240. And then after that, we just play it by ear. I do believe myself it's going to go to 400. So 100, let's just say it goes 100 to 160. That's 60% on your money. Say it goes up to 200. 100% on your money. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Alan Fleming, ZBCN. Is that really something? ZBCN. Is that a symbol or is that like code word for something? ZBCN. I don't know what the fuck that is. Crypto. And it isn't even on, I guess it's a crypto? ZBCN. Is that what he said? Yeah. Market cap. Crypto cap. Which one you want me to call it on, bud? I wish it had Coinbase, but I don't see a Coinbase. Can you check Mara, please? Yes, Cristobal Arm, I sure will. What about BNB? I sure will. Trusted Kicks. I'll do BNB next. Am I not reading? Oh, Z. Alan said ZBCN. What's the fuck I typed in, Alan? What fucking broker do you want me to use it on, please? ZBCN. What broker would you like? What? ZB? I mean, my vision's not the greatest, but I can see that. All right, fuck it. I'll do this one since he's not answering the question. And it looks shitty anyways. All right, not enough history. Can't read it. Can't read that. Let's see. I can't read it. There's not enough history. It's shitty. I don't know what to call for it. It's impossible for me to read that. So there you go. You're welcome, Ellen. Hope that helps. BNB on Binance. BNB on Binance. Let's see, BNB. BNB on Binance. There we go. I'm guessing he means this one. All right, thank you for listing the actual broker there. You're a great man, whoever that was. Trusted Kicks. BNB. Nice. What is this thing? 12-hour buy. 12-hour buy, much different than the last shitty one I looked at. 12-hour daily buy. You're a little late to the party. I mean, to be honest with you, I mean, you can clearly see this was a weekly buy back here. You would have got in at $607. Jesus, what the fuck is this thing? To 862. So yeah, you're a little late. You're really late. You missed a 3-week. You missed a monthly. Look at this monthly. If you'd have got in on the monthly, you'd have got in down here at $255. All right, 3 months, 6 months. Yeah. Can we still call it 12-hour daily? Sure. 12-hour daily buy stop BNB. You can see it's already hooked on its pattern. I'm calling it to $800. Favorite take profit, then $850. And that is for BNB for Trusted Kicks.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right, let me check Mara. M-A-R-A. I guess Mara Holdings on NAS. Sure. Oh, that's a nice little thing right there. 12-hour. Let's see, daily. Daily buy. Really? Daily buy. Whoa. Hold on. Let me see if I can get some better news up here. Not enough history. It's a sell 3 month. All right, but in the meantime, let's take this. Daily buy stop to the blue line on Mara, which is fantastic. Yeah, that is correct. This is a very nice trade. $16.21, $16.59, $16.98. I love the take profit of that. That's my favorite. I will call $18.58. Why not throw it out there? $22 on Mara. It's actually a very nice buy stop to the blue line daily on Mara. I don't know what it is. I don't know what the fuck they do. I don't really care. But yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, it's not the worst I've seen.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. Any other symbols you guys want me to check while we have time? It's getting a little late. I got about maybe 15 minutes more of checking symbols if you want. I hope that helped you, Cristobal Armas. I hope that helped you, Casey and Trusted Kicks. Good morning, baby. Precious isn't up yet, by the way. I'm just sending a good morning message to her right now. She's still sleeping. Love that woman more than life itself. Okay. Good morning, Eric R. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. I can't believe we were pulling in 50, 60 people on TikTok. That's fucking awesome. Thank you for all the thumbs up on YouTube. We're kicking ass with that. We had a great morning. I mean, literally, I changed this to watch a 30-second buy happen live right before your eyes. Can't deny this one. Rewatch training. This is a training video, is how important this earlier time period was. ALB, please, says Bob. What's up, Bob? Absolutely for you, Bob. ALB. ALB. Marl Corporation on, how the fuck do you even say that? Albemarle. Bree can say anything. I'm sure I'm slaughtering that. Albemarle. What the fuck is this thing? All right, let's take a look at the higher time frames first. If I can read it. And I don't know. Oh, that's looking red as red could be. So the 3-week, it is a weekly, 3-weekly sell, but what are we doing with that? 3 months? Looking better. I know what Bob's up to. Look at Bob go. It's still a sell, Bob, on a daily, weekly, 3-weekly, so be careful, but follow it down. And then it is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. It is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Hell, Bob, I might even add this to my... Yeah, that's nice. Take profit, $83, $100, $120. I love the take profit of $150. And I do believe you'll see it meander past 300. That is ALB. That is a new symbol for Kim. Do I want to add it to my little trustees of buys? I'm going to say not at this time, but it is very good. Be careful of that shorter term drop. Let me see if it's starting to flip yet for you or not. Hold on. It's just starting to come around back on the upswing is what I want to see for them. It is. Let's see if we can get maybe a 45-minute. Oh, 2 hour? Aha, I found our culprit. Let me go all the way up to 10 hour. Bob, that's a really nice one. I like this. Just follow it. Put your buy stops in place. Follow all the rules. Oh, that daily, weekly sell concerns the fuck out of me. It can go all the way down to 50, by the way. Daily, weekly, 3-weekly sell. monthly sell, but then you got to be patient. 3 months, 6 month buy. I love it. Yeah, that's a very good trade. This long term will work out well for you. Just be careful with that short term, please.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I hope that helped you, Bob, just like I hoped it helped Cristobal, and I hope it helped Casey. And Persistent with Litecoin. And Sprouticus with NQ and NAS. All right. Anybody else want anything else called? I have time for probably 1 or 2 more symbols if you want me to call it.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yeah, after open, I think I'm going to go back and lay down. I'm pretty tired. I got up early this morning, but not like yesterday. Yesterday I only got about maybe 2-3 hours of sleep. Today I probably got 5 hours of sleep. 6 maybe, which I'm thrilled with. 5-6 hours, that's more than enough for me. Anybody have any questions over, any symbols over, anything you want me to talk about, look at? Yes, I've called golf and gold. Gold's always a buy. Always a buy. It's been a buy since the last 2023, 2024, and now 2025. Gold's always a buy. It's also peaked and too high right now, but that's why it's a weekly, daily. You got to take your time. Weekly, daily buy stop on gold. Pretty much already hit my thing. Remember I told you going to the orange line, it did it. Yeah, now here, and then it's going to hit here. 3,426, and it'll go over 3,500. That's gold. But if you want shorter term gold, let's go down here and fart around and see what I see for you. 1 minute buy stop. Gold's already engaged. You're too late. You should have got in here like the rules state. 3,396 to 3,400. That's where it's going back to on the 1 minute buy. 5 minute negative, negative, 10 minute, no, 15 minute buy, 30 minute buy, 90 minute, 30 minute buy stop, 45 minute, nope, 30 minute buy stop. Gold will be going back to 3,394 to 3,396, and then up to where I told you over 3,400, and that's gold. So short term and long. Now I didn't check 1 second. You want me to go down to 1 second, really? Buy stop on the 1 second. I would just wait. Put your buy stop up here and wait for it to flip. All right, any questions, concerns, or comments, good or bad? If you're thrilled with the system, speak up. If you're not thrilled with the system, speak up and tell me why, so I can make you thrilled with it. Today, we went over a lot of things, not the least of which we saw a 30-second buy stop happen right before your eyes. This is actually now a training video. It's already been added to the list. We have about 13 minutes to market open. Do not trade market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying right there and that there. Last night's advanced training at the end of the live is diamond. Yep, it is. It is. That's why it has its own little training area. Let's go over there and see. Let's see. So over here, you'll notice my YouTube channel with over 1,000 videos, and technically I have over 2,000 YouTube videos now. Isn't that wild? And then you go underneath my playlists, and then you go under here, 8-8, just a great buy stop. There's two of them. One of them was yesterday's video. And then today's video. And there you go. Yay, thank you, Ellen. I like her and harder. And there you go. And those are your videos. And they are. Oh. Hey, Matt. Thrilled. Thank you again, Kevin. You're welcome, Matt. Glad you're here. All right. No other symbols to be called on TikTok or YouTube. So happy to see 50, 60 people farting around. 63 people on TikTok today. That was awesome. Oh, man. Oh. Prayers to Keith Palmer. Lord, keep him safe in your hands. Everyone out there, please say a prayer for Keith. Send positive vibes if you don't believe in prayer. Also for my beautiful wife, Bree, and of course, Basil and Britt, and everybody that helps out, the whole team here that helps us out to get this out to you. Eric R. agreed, loved the training. Yep. Yeah, it was good stuff last night. And I swear it was good stuff this morning. You can't get better than watching a 30-second buy stop happen before your very eyes after I had just got done training on it. Just wild. You know what we need in here is that Uno 30-minute reverse. Hold on a second. Let me see something. While we're at it. You guys forgot in April when everyone was calling for a crash, and I kept telling you, remember this, I'm telling you it's a buy. Damn, this is when we were in thing? I don't know, 6-6. Interesting on that one. I'm trying to find the one I'm trying. I'll look at it later, not right now. All right, we're good. You know what I wanted to see? Hold on a second. Let's see something, shall we? I don't know if I can do it, though. Oh, yeah, there it is. And where's my music act? Fuck, I got to remember all these things, and I can't remember one of them. I got to add the music. I got to add the words. All right, can we possibly... I tell you what, that bull is too fucking cool. Thank you, KJ Palmer. KJ's a good man. Oh, can we even hear that? Hold on a second.
Green to the top, now your profits are fit.
Interesting that it's not picking up. Why is it not picking up on that one?
Money spread. I ain't chorus demo trade, I'm not a financial advisor. Demo trade only, please don't be a miser. From the lows to the highs, we're chasing the dream. With Bree and Keith, it's an unstoppable team. Safety trade fam.
Interesting. So I can't get it to play through the right speakers. Let me do the Bree one.
Yeah. Nasdaq talk shit. Let me tell you a story. It started with free gyms work. Bubble just begins, COVID hit.
Aha.
It's like the lights fade away. Everything crumble, friends vanish where they stay. Only Bree kept it real through the storm and despair. Light in the darkness always shows she cared. From the ashes we rose, now we shining so bright.
That's better.
To the struggle, turn wrong into right. Safety trade system, let them know we don't break through the storms of the chaos. Watch the money.
Market open in 7 minutes.
Now, but you don't know the fights. Kev grinding in shadows, perfecting the heights. Safety trade system, built from the dust to the gleam. Unstoppable force, man, we live in the dream. Bingo, papa all the way to the back. Respect to the grind, this ain't just a prank. From the ashes we rose, now we shining so bright. Respect to the struggle, turn wrong into right. Safety trade system, let them know we don't break through the storms of the chaos. Watch the money we make. So shout out to Bree, standing the test. In the game of Forex.
Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, NAS and NQ. Free Money Friday, baby. It's hitting. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, NAS and NQ. Don't take the trade unless it pops up over here.
Yeah.
Wait for it. Wait for it. No rush. Buy stop SPX ES1. Everyone's like, why is he playing music?
Let me tell you a story.
Good morning, Eighth Bullet.
Gyms worked hard every night, but the struggle just begins. COVID hit, got the cuts like the lights fade away. Everything crumble, friends vanish where they stay. Only Bree kept it real through the storm and despair. Light in the darkness always shows she cared.
Amen.
We rose, now we shine so bright.
We rose.
To the struggle, turn
Woo!
right. Safety trade system, let them know we don't break through the storms of the chaos. Watch the money we make. See the success now, but you don't know the fights. Kev grinding in shadows, perfecting the heights. Safety trade system, built from the dust to the gleam. Unstoppable force, man, we live in the dream. Bingo, papa all the way to the back. Respect to the grind.
Touchdown, ES1, SPX to their blue line. Touchdown, YM1, US30 to their 5-second blue line. Touchdown, NAS and NQ. We need music. I want my alerts going. I want to hear the dinging going. All 5 seconds in the money. All 5 seconds in the money. All 5 seconds are hit. You're going to see NAS do it again. Nice. All 5 seconds hit, all in the money.
Yeah.
See? Start bringing on the song with Bree, and there you go.
Nasdaq talk shit.
NASDAQ talking shit? Can you imagine NASDAQ talking smack to us?
Let me
Fuck
tell you a
NASDAQ.
story. It started with free gyms hard every night, but the struggle just begins. COVID hit, got the cuts like the lights fade away. Everything crumble, friends vanish where they stay. Only Bree.
Buy stop. Free money. NAS again. NQ again to their blue lines.
Show she cared. From the ashes we rose, now we shining so bright.
And Bree did show she cares, and Bree did stays behind me. Look at them go up. US30 in the money. YM1 in the money. SPX in the money. ES1 in the money.
Now we don't know the fights. From the
NQ hit, baby. That's right, persistent. Bingo Boppo, John and Matt Parker.
This ain't just a prank.
Solace Soul. Miami Rocks. MC Hammer. Free money giveaway. NAS and NQ, baby. 3 minutes to market open, baby. I gotta remember to play the fucking music. I gotta write this down. He's got so many good songs. Yeah, baby. Do not play market open. If you're going to play market open, demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Let me tell you a story. It started with free gyms, worked hard.
Buy stop, free money, NAS and NQ. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. Buy stop. US 30 going through the roof. YM1 and huge money. Watch it go up before your very eyes, peeps. There, touchdown, NQ1, baby. Touchdown, NQ1. Told you, free money Fridays, baby. Touchdown, NAS. Touchdown, NAS to the blue line. NQ1, they gave it to you. US 30 was going up. YM1 was going up. Free money. Touchdown, touchdown, touchdown. Touchdown, NAS 100. Woo! Buy the system, peeps. I can do it. Other people can do it. Buy the system. Head on over. SafetyTrade.com. 1.5 minutes to market open. Do not play market open. We've already made shit tons of money. Shout out to Bree, baby. Go to the SafetyTrade.com and you too can be an MC Hammer. Look at it. Market open in a minute. Market open in a minute. Damn, we're not even trying. It's all done. I don't know what else to tell you. Everything is just utterly fantastic. Everything did exactly as called. Ricochet, buy stop back to the blue line, but I don't care. I'm done with market open. NASDAQ talking shit? What?
Let me tell you a story. It started.
All right, guys. Love you all. Have a great weekend. Touchdown again, NAS. Touchdown again, NQ1. Touchdown again, SPX.
Crumble, friends vanish where they stay. Only Bree kept it real through the storm and the
Only Bree, baby.
light in the darkness always shows she cared. From the ashes we rose, now we shining so bright. Respect to the struggle, turn wrong into right. Safety trade system, let them know we don't break through the storms of the chaos. Watch the money we made.
Market open. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Every call out correct. Every call out correct. Eat it, you motherfucking haters. Rot. Just accept the fact this is the best system in the world. Buy the system. Look at it go up before your very eyes. As called out before it happened. Woo! You're welcome, everybody. I want to see some thank you gods, sevens and yeses. You're welcome. Look at the money before your very eyes. You're welcome. All right, TikTokers, I'll probably be on later today. God bless you all. See y'all later on TikTok. Buy the damn system, YouTubers. I'm going to play the song one more time for you guys on YouTube. I should be on later today, maybe. You're welcome. What a blast. What a fucking blast. What a great morning.
Let me tell you a story. It started with free gyms, worked hard every night, but the struggle just begins. COVID hit, it's like the lights fade away. Everything crumble, friends vanish where they stay. Only
Kevin O'Connell, amazing. That's right, baby. What's up, Kev?
light in the darkness always shows.
Where are all the haters now?
We rose, now we
Woo!
respect to the struggle.
Right.
Safety trade system, let them know we will break through the storms of the chaos. Watch the money we made. See the success now, but you don't know the fights. Kev grinding in shadows, perfecting the heights. Safety trade system.
You guys want me to play In the Money next or no? Solace Skull. Have a great weekend, Solace. I might be on later. Definitely tomorrow morning, though.
This ain't just a plaque from the ashes we rose. Now we shining so bright. Respect to the
too, Eric. This is the last song here, guys. Last song. And then I'm going to go ahead and I got to get the backdrop music.
Let me show you a self-stop. It's red, 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 green to the top. Now your profits are fed in the market where chaos meets savvy and dread. Bingo boppo, baby, you in the money spread. Main chorus demo trade, I'm not a financial advisor. Demo trade only, please don't be a miser. From the lows to the highs, we're chasing the dream. Green Keith, it's an unstoppable team. Safety trade fam, we're the cream of the stream. Keep pushing forward, no time to redeem. Haters gonna hate, kept grinding every day. Calling out trades, we flipping cash all the way. Thousands of videos, evidence on display. Watch us stack up profits as the markets decay.
Y'all have a blessed weekend.
Kevin's hustling, dawn till dusk is grind time.
Wait till that robot comes out, peeps. Woo! All of you are going to be motherfucking rich. All of you, demo rich, baby.
Unstoppable team. Safety trade fam, we're the cream of the stream. Keep pushing forward, no time to redeem. Shout out to Geek, Jay, and the Parker Bros. Safety trade family, we're breaking their foes.
All right, guys. God bless y'all. Have a great weekend. I will be on a little bit later today, probably, definitely in the morning tomorrow. God bless y'all. Everyone have a great, great weekend. Keep y'all safe, healthy, and make some great fucking memories. God bless. Talk to y'all later. Now, that was a fun... God, I gotta remember to play that music. That was a fun morning. Great fucking morning. Made all kinds of demo money for them. Fucking yeah.